Watch yeah.
It's like you just sit down and wait for me to come
in.
in.
Say me and you are real friends.
Come in.
Jesus.
Pass down the road and see. Man's trying to sell crab. We just buy it.
I love you. I love you down to earth. Come here, girl. Come here.
Really, man.
Jesus.
A fool make you love me.
Girl, me come here broke. I'm not dead for hungry.
Yes.
That's why me have to love you, girl. You're a real friend.
Yeah.
Real friend. Do them as something. I said I couldn't buy one juice. I couldn't buy one little soda.
I could have buy one fruit bag juice.
All that too. Jesus.
But you know, so the bag juice should be for you.
Oh God, girl. But don't you say you spoil me. Where you get money from? So you couldn't get the correct for there now. So you drink juice and I drink no juice.
They get money for buy bag juice.
So it look like me want to walk, go except for go buy bag juice?
Me send somebody go buy one bag juice for you.
So can bag juice come so me can eat it for? Come in and answer them and slap this year.
Mama, you have to wait, I'm tired.
I'm excited while ago, but I'm not excited again.
Why?
You can't source some food, can't give me nothing for eating in that.
So thank God can you have to get no food.
Me thank God said do you, I'm still excited for the food.
You want rice?
Yeah. Yeah, real friend.
Mama, if you want rice, so me can tell me say you want rice,
real
girl.
Friend. Hurry up, girl.
I'm go for the rice.
Yeah.
Go for the magazine, go for the syrup and the barrel.
Where there?
Syrup, rice and peas.
Thank you.
Me not have no water. Me don't know you go get water to make that.
Some cup.
Mama, don't walk me out. Me want to eat. Where water there where you go use? You have to go. You have to walk go down the lane, Mama.
Come back, man.
Mama, me not get up back. Me not getting up back.
Phone cup for me now, please. Come here, your friend. Come phone cup. Please, no, girl. Shanice, go phone cup, girl. Me go for myself. Me go for myself. Who come back?
So hot. Girl,
There, so your foot looks so.
my father used to use the iron and press it out
For
like
what?
a uniform tattoo.
You see, same thing. Me did ask you, if your father gone cuss, you say you know business,
Why you ask me that?
Girl, remember we come in your room, girl, I'm saying, show you want to do it, because we know say your father is mad, you know.
I got a doctor say, it's soon heal up and thing. A lucky thing, say me tell the doctor say him, because he would have gone to prison. I should have tell the doctor say him, so I can get for do more, get more tattoo. Me say, him man would have burned me, if me never run out of him man would have burned me.
Girl, that's you are idiot, brother, because me would have tell some lie.
I told my father, brother, because he would have look wicked.
Me, where me deal with my own. You have to respect me.
But I'm a father, girl. Yeah, the same thing.
Oh, you're
I have
lucky.
respect for father. Anyways, yes, they say you have something to tell me, so how about that?
Oh, yeah, I'm come tell you, girl, me a breed.
What?
Me a breed, girl, I'm
You said to me a
pregnant.
while ago. Tell me again. Me not hear good.
I'm pregnant.
Since when? And for who?
No, see, boy. What you mean by for who?
Which boy? Girl, enough money on my son. In
No, don't do that. You know
Alright,
the one
so-
boy, the one tall brown boy.
Oh, TV.
Yeah, girl, so what I can do, no. I say when I see my father, see me, I me to come for never know, no, girl. One piece of something down at the yard.
Girl, you have to do something about that, because baby, I hold down. And a belly now run right now.
Me, I go, this it a go roll.
Belly now
It a weird for me. It a weird because me not go dash it, right? Because me want to walk past cemetery with my head high. I don't want to be a ball on my head. I want to carry my baby. So anything you want to say?
Baby, I hold down, and that's all me have to say, mama.
Okay.
You have money?
Me I go work.
Where you go work?
No worry about that.
First paper you say you go work,
Yes,
you know,
sir.
man, you depend on enough.
So
First
you go.
paper you say you work. So which part you go work?
I want supermarket.
So TB man go work too.
Yeah, him
Oh.
have to. Me alone I go
So
do
when you
it.
tell him what him say?
I can't talk about it now, the money for mine, this and mine, that. Mr. Me have to raise him
I
up.
know said that him won't say no. I didn't know said that him won't say.
Girl, anyways.
Be a waste man, come on.
Yeah, girl. I'm got it full.
Somebody to see if you fuck on a napkin.
Girl, me in the best you can take it up. Take
Mama be
it up,
under your
man.
maid. You know walk back
Well,
here.
yeah, I should have stuck up here.
Me not take up, you know. Anyways, where you go eat now? Cause right now food wait on my belly, you know.
Oh, never got mine yet.
So you don't have the money.
Me not the money.
So where you go eat?
You go cook. Look
Me
for
money.
something. Me not the money.
So how me I go cook if me not have no money?
Me no know. Where your money there?
Girl, my money done. Can't believe people like how
How your money done? Well, your money waiting and done your money. Where you do with the money if you done the money? Tell me how the money done.
Girl, me buy crab and rice and peas. How me I go have more money?
Well, I never send you go buy crab, nor rice and peas. So,
Why?
I can't help because I never send you go spend the money. Who to go buy crab, eh? What you pay for the crab?
$3,000.
It's in $2.
Yes. 1,500 one.
You're lucky. Me not have no, because I never seen you go buy the little bit of crab. The little bit of crab there. You're
Girl.
lucky, me sorry. Go up and go look for
You
me,
know-
not the money. You know me
Anyways,
stuck
now nobody
already.
will go look at meal for myself. I don't know you
Bring
go
back
eat
something
later.
for me eat. Me
Why
not-
wait?
me not have no money,
Mama,
me
just
sorry.
take up a napkin and the fuck. I'm slowly, really and truly I go run you out of my yard.
Girl, me I can't go through.
So nasty.
Bring
and
back
broke.
something. Me not take up no. Me not do no one bag of work, man.
So imagine me tell you if you come meet me and right so me have to walk come. You know far me I walk come
You don't
from
see
better.
sun hot.
So you think sun hot for me too?
That's for you. That's for me. Where are you with?
Me come feel something. Where they?
What that?
The money?
So I don't think I dated it say where I go pan.
No. Money me say me want to go cook.
Too much money.
Any amount of money you have to give me.
No, you love money, so. Wallace.
Oh, thanks.
So really money you come meet me for?
Yes, that money alone me want. Did you want something else?
I mean?
What else did you want?
I
Me
mean,
no cook so me could carry the food come give you.
you don't chat about food.
What we are talking about then?
You know, rest your man next time there.
Oh,
I'll go up here, so.
alright, go on. Later. Thanks. Me call you.
Ah.
Daddy,
Right now, be at me head, you know.
how me have to head?
Where you do on your phone?
Me not do nothing.
You know, see me seize that phone in front of you. What me tell us
What?
about the place? Look on the place. Look on the
Daddy,
place.
me
look on.
foot a hot me, daddy. Me can't walk
Foot
good.
hot you.
Yes.
You're lucky. That never burn off or never chop you off with the machine. And it's a good thing, say. You know, tell the doctor, you know. Say I'm going to iron, you know, can you see if you ever call me name? You don't know what happened to you. One team place. How you place looks up?
Daddy, me foot a hurt me. Doctor said me not for move up my foot cause now go get better.
Oi, a doctor have you or me have you?
You.
Who put your name on the belly? Doctor or me? Eh?
You.
Now tell me about the doctor in here. When me talk to you about my place and about rights. Okay? Let me teach you about cleanliness. Cleanliness is what? Godliness. Learn. Get up and find the sheet and spread up a bit. What you mean? I go and teach you some lesson. Okay? You know, learn.
That tell the doctor say are you.
Go and talk. Take up clothes in my bed. And put them where they have to go. I set up a place, make a place look like somebody live here. And then a dog and goat place. Here. Alright, don't talk. Hurry up! And I want to see a screw up here, senior. Tasty. You care, woman? Go to do and come in back and I see place set up. Tasty and bright.
So you still cook up in there, so you decide to you not go feed for yourself. You're not gonna try to make little money.
No, you blind?
Oh, well, me got what and me got $300 US. You know how much money this? You know how much money this now?
Oh, get money.
No rated girl. Me have man.
Your man get money?
Yeah, it's the same man I'm tell you about. Me same maga boy.
Jesus. I so
What
much
this?
my man they have money.
Make it serve your feet.
Thank
Hey,
you,
one time you there, yeah.
girl.
Oh,
So me your friend now.
you don't have no more forget, you know. So make it serve you.
My girl, stop talking with me. Stop take them and talk. Man, I can't make you name, but they might hear you busy. Sometimes I like talk. You talk too long.
Make it serve you.
Take them and talk. Alright, girl.
Right now, me go to the supermarket before I lock.
Yeah,
All the man I book up on the next man down there, I get the next money again. Me let my phone to charge.
Yeah,
But soon come back, you know.
Yeah, I come back to me, yeah. Me, what going good? Make good man. I just get $100 US and I gonna send it. Can't give you. Yes, I'm gonna send it. I know man give me money. Don't worry about me getting money from. No, no, man. Most of the money come give. I'm still my friend. Are they here? Bye bye. I love you. Mwah. Later, be. I'm send it by tomorrow.
Alright, love you too, babes. Tomorrow I'm collecting money here. Alright, later. Money and morning. How going?
I'm there. Are you come to?
What?
Cause I'm hungry, what you mean by?
So you come to me and tell me say you're hungry for?
Cause I'm hungry, remember 2 hours now, remember you breed me now.
Well, right, I know me fresh, you know, baby.
Yeah, no.
You know you're fast, where you go?
Me not chat to you, you know.
Me no business, I'm my friend. So
No, pay
Me
Now,
not-
man, you when time come to you and say, I want KFC and Papaya and burger, you not hesitate. No, you know, so I'm pregnant, you hesitate.
Oh, you mean after me not sure if I feel me pitney?
What you mean by anybody breed me, you have to take care of me, you know.
Not because me coming at you, you know. The claim say no, that the claim say I'm my pitney, you know.
Are you alone, me lie down with me? No lie down with
Remember
no
say
other man.
no young and no body, no. So me and I come give me no jacket for take care of her and no
No,
belly
you
till
could
him
never
born.
be serious.
Oh, you mean if me not have no money right now, me frost me I tell you the truth.
Oh, so I saw you roll now.
Me not have, so what me for do? Thief?
So you roll now.
How me a roll?
And my first and foremost, my father not allow this, you know. Cause so what day when I go to my father, you know, he might cuss, you know. And saying they talk to me, come and talk to me, go and see what make happen now. I know this yard, bro.
Say me not have no money. Me not have no money, me not have dollar. You want to search me? Me not have dollar.
Question
Me not have no money.
If him no say no money, where you breed her for?
You sure say I'm in breeder?
Yes.
How you so sure?
Because you are the only person she tell me to go follow. And you are the only man.
Eh?
You know say you broke where you breed her then for?
In there,
No,
in
you
there,
have
now
to
modesty,
take
so
care,
girl.
Yeah, me know. Now you have to take care of 2 of them now.
2 of them. Where you
Two
get
of
2 of
them.
them from?
One on my belly and me.
You better go find the rightful one for that
Are
the
you are the
belly.
rightful
No,
one?
you could never be serious
Girl,
today.
I don't know what this is going to pick up. What is this going to pick up,
You know
girl?
what? Come, girl.
I
Go
don't know
on
what
there,
this is going
man.
to pick up. Any money where you get
Brighty.
try to
Take what?
Yeah.
Righty.
Girl, I'm tired. I can't bother. Now walk up and down.
Come on, sit down for the bed.
What kind of man that you go take up?
You say, girl, I'm sorry, I'm going to lie down with him. You don't know.
No, sir. First thing they give you money and now come like you know, don't want to take care of baby. Any money in get
I'm
him
telling
try
you, girl,
give you.
any chance I get, girl, I have to find a way. Because I'm not ask Christ. Because I'm not make my penny come look like the worst. No day, no
Girl,
time.
me can't wait for you to start work. Honestly, me can't wait.
I mean, when she me,
I don't know what kind of baby father you say you take up stomach.
I know me fed up.
You not don't want work or nothing.
Yeah, but that,
Lord God, go with me soon.
How are you? Oh.
I can't you me a look for.
Why?
Could never you me a
That's your father tormenty.
Your
could
phone
never
like you
see me
must
the
taught
same.
me or something.
In torment bad.
Where you up on the road?
Daddy, so me can't come out the road again for breeze before where you burn up with iron.
So you see me I go up and down. And you not even move a muscle like you're interested.
Daddy, when me a move, I must my foot a hurt me, daddy.
How would a friend do? Tell you? How be a show work for you?
Me no know.
Eh?
Me no know.
If you're a company you like, you don't like come here teach you.
So you want to teach me how to be a granny? You want to make me baptize and all of that and all of that? Me no want to be a granny, daddy. Me can't bother to stay now. I will sit there and burn up my foot with iron now.
You teach you how to be a what?
A granny. You want me to have Christian friend or whatever. Me have done Christian already. Me no want no Christian.
So you're not cleansing? Wanna pay ya? Wanna pay ya? So you don't want to be cleansing? Nasty correct. Whoop! See how you? See next time you see you with me dancer. Eh? Yeah. But hang you. You know it with me dancer. Stay away from dancer. See all the money I'm working go to.
That's why you hear me.
See you with me dancer.
But I'm call my man for you.
Oh, wow. Hold him. You see him hold that boy there?
Sir.
So,
You better go on, you better go on.
it's alright.
Oh God, I want to reach home. Tired.
Hey,
Well,
good evening.
Evening.
Hi, Pri.
Yeah.
Long time I not see you. Change up door.
Yeah, man, I get hold do.
You look like a crow. I never saw me left here last time.
I'm in daughter. My daughter brought me down, man.
Anyways, you see my boyfriend, I see TV?
Timmy. I hear that name already, you know. Oh, you look.
Him kind of tall, him have long hair, and him brown, and him slim.
That Croft there.
What you mean by Croft?
You dirty dog, bring me that enough. My daughter gone look for him this morning.
Wait. Slow down. I'm not process this. Eh?
The dirty dog.
Mm-hmm.
Bring me daughter.
Mm-hmm.
But my daughter left from morning, then gone to him for money. So me, I go home to find out if he get no money from him.
TB.
Yes!
See him tall, brown, TB.
That's the one there.
Bree, your daughter.
Bring me daughter. But do, may I beg you. No call me
You know
to
why
not mention my name. Don't say one look birdie. That's all you have to say.
No, well, yeah, me not. Your mother and your boss me on that. Nah, do that, man. You know what me can burn him?
I tell you the truth, mama. I don't know. Can you see these boys around here? So all them want do. I roll up weed and
Yeah,
go.
because me always a sending money
So
when
what
me there
you doing?
town.
You are sending money?
When me did there town, I'm come down and you don't know some come
You
down.
feel like a woman no sense like this. Why me can't find a woman like that? So we can use the money invest. You're Croft to take him by the people, young girl. You know what girl you have? You know what multiple girl you carry over here yard?
Over me yard.
Yes, Shanti. I see it.
Hey, me no name Shanti.
Oh, yeah.
My name Shan.
Oh, Shan. I forgot to have my daughter name.
Huh?
I saw my daughter name, you know. Shan. You need to pull up your man and jog him up. Because
Me if you jog him up,
you see,
you
if,
soon know me I go jog up. Don't worry, I'll let that tie night too.
hello, leave my daughter out of the
Oh.
As much as she a breed, I still love my picnic.
That not have nothing to
I
do
don't want
with me.
nothing to do with my picnic.
Say that.
You saw my grandchild come out, although I love call that bastard. You saw him come out, and I take him, you can kill my daughter if you want to. Anyway,
I'm your killer too, because you're careless.
mine it. Mine it.
How will you do that?
Your mind and never lick
Sir,
up woman, you know.
left from me gate.
You
Go on.
see your yard there, and
Yeah,
government road this. you know.
Left. No, you're there. I'm see government road there, sir. Stay over there, so. Yeah. Where there, sir, now? Stay over there, so, and go on your ways. Hold on, right? Same thing. And wait till me catch TV. You can go spread the word. Sean is back. Go spread the word. Spread it. So everybody here.
All right.
All right, what?
Remember me say, look a birdie. That's all.
After you can inform for your own that and your in-law as well to that be.
Daddy!
I want to look together. How are you?
Me hungry right now, you know, man.
Ah! What you say?
Me say me hungry.
You're hungry? Okay. So you never know say what you have inside to go feed for your liver. Eh? You left her this morning, right? Bright and early. What you tell me say you're going to do? You're going to look for baby daddy. So baby daddy don't give you no money.
No.
Oh,
You say
sweetness
nah,
done.
no.
Sweetness done, me always want you, you know. From year 12, me I warn you. You see, if I start your period, me start warn you. Me say to you, say you feel, one day go come where you feel like, say, you want, look, soko, right? Me tell you, say, when you feel like you're horny, take a cold shower. But no, you know, at least you breathe with the 60 years as government law as the E that them we sit up in the parliament that talk about, yeah, when everything age of 16 they can go do what they want to cartoon, some of them want some of the young girl them too. When they see so, when they put it there so. But at least you never breathe with at 12, but you breathe with at 16. You say when they listen to me, we didn't tell us, you know. You say when that man breathe, you know, then job done. Then gone.
I never know say when I come.
But you never know say when I come. Anytime one man up on top of you see my wine and you see my go faster, I come in my rotting come. Let me tell you that. If you never know, from you have sex, you don't know when man a came.
You wear the two see my TV makes that.
Oh, so you can make you full of belly. Why you never go there back go lay down make you full of belly? Make you let us some come so the people get little juice to drink and you die for hunger. Why you never do that? Eh? Why you didn't do it? You see what I'm telling you about what we can do now? You're lucky you never come out so twist up. You're lucky so you never done with you. You never walk out so. You know what girl go lay down and have sex and never get up back to see daylight? Eh?
Because them what them do so.
Because him a tell him man say go harder. Choke me baby, choke me. And when the man choke him and he sweet him and the man hold on for the throat. And when the man done come the girl dead. You hear? So when a young girl feel like every day when you see man, when you tell man to choke on a bed, but you want to live like a hog and puss?
No.
You want to live like a dog?
No.
Let me tell you something. You know what we have in our house right now?
No, I'm just hungry right now.
You see the plant tree ready there so they cut down? And the hard green plant them throw down in there. So you go fry it, then I no oil. But me I look olive oil in this up on the dresser, yeah? Go and use it and fry it. I never me tell you to go grind and can't maintain what in a you. Me tell you, say, go get a work, you know. Go get a work, because me and that bastard child nah go work. You hear? He nah go work. You don't understand every day you don't see man on roadside, I go so. I weed out and in a hand miggle and I look them, you don't know so that don't happen to you. Eh? Man with pants and them body, you know represent. Eh? Before you take up some man in a high glass and long sleeve. So you know what?
What them man there go? You know what them man there?
Go on, a bad man you don't want. You see a bad man here? One rifle. Pow! One pit in the belly and no father. 4 pit never ban. Ball I wonder grandpa what the daddy there. Never swear to tell him. Your mama go check your daddy and your daddy. Pow! And dump that Ross.
Uncle! Oh my God, my big uncle. Mama said we can stay with you.
Hold on. I don't hear what you say, good. Wait.
Mama said we can stay with you.
No, hold on.
Alright.
No. Talk again.
Mama said we can stay with you.
We feel like something wrong with that you say. Talk another one.
Mama said we can stay with you. You're not here.
Your mother walk with your father. Me call your mother down a town. I will tell your mother, say, me have my daughter left out and go breathe.
Well, I'm with that.
And he said, you come here. Okay, I see now. I see what's going on in my place. So me call your mother and tell my daughter, breathe. He said, you come here. So you have belly too. But make I tell you this. You listen good.
Yeah, listen carefully.
Yeah, listen good. I never slap nobody out of my shit, but you see, since as my sister said you come down here when me tell and say my daughter breathe, and he said you come here. The moment I tell say my daughter breathe, he said you come here. Try make sure no say you are V. Make sure say you are V. Because mama, anybody pick your cherry, better yam it well. Because me I mince you up to pieces. Send you back at town. You understand?
Yes, Papa.
Sean! Sean!
Yeah.
Where you do?
No. Me make this enough to eat. I'm hungry.
Come here, before you peel the plant, come here.
Want something? Tell her where you cook.
Come here. Come here, my daughter. You walk this daughter, come here.
You call the girl, so.
You will soon know. Anyway, you see she? Your cousin, right? My sister beloved virgin. You hear the word? Virgin. You now go take her out of the yard, carry her go all over the place, make them boy they pluck her cherry.
So me can't stop her from them pluck her cherry? If they want pluck her cherry, they no pluck her cherry. What me gonna do?
No, you have a
Blackie?
right because you couldn't stop them from pluck for your cherry.
Okay.
You see, if she lose her virginity, you and she can't turn in here. You see, same way you come here, or same way you go back at town. And wipe the smile off of your face because I will give the machine. And let me tell you something. What we eat for breakfast a morning time is cornmeal porridge.
And then I get last
Oh, yeah,
and big fish.
You get
and big
last
chicken.
You get last
No.
crab. You get last
You
crab.
guys a lobster.
Eh?
That the warm up your ears, man. You guys a lobster.
Lap who?
Seafood.
Mama, hello.
No mackerel, no.
Welcome to the grill where you get tin mackerel. You hear? Cornmeal porridge. Oats porridge. See, if you get raw oats this man, you get can't even do. Hard bone. We don't have anything here. So
I make chicken.
bring it in, no. Bring it in. Come in. Me murder it. Bring it in. Me murder it. You say you come here brown, me will send you up black. Or red. I want to make sure you're not nasty, you know, look at girl. Cause the last time when they come here, you bug up the toilet.
No. Oh, me look so. Yeah, look.
Outside of when church. I wanna come
What
here.
you did there?
On the road.
No, ask me when me did there or when me come back. How me shit smell so?
How?
You know me. Wait me, but it smell like sex, bro.
So, you know, say what?
Hey! That I know with me, you know. Come with that. That fresh and that smell like multiple somebody. A different sweat and scent that
Where you
in
get that
your
from?
house.
I find the last time me have 6.
Yeah, me kilo.
4. If you tell the truth.
Hey boy, I think me don't hear how much girl. You never know say me come back though.
No, I wanna come.
You think me don't hear how much girl you can't
Cut that
over me
now, I wanna
house?
come.
You don't worry about when me come. When you come.
The last time you have 6.
Oh! That's how me have sex. So you mean to tell me, say, me gonna town gonna do with my business and you turn me house in a warehouse.
Warehouse. Where you get that from, Bill?
And me all hear say, me turn from town and hear say a baby pan way.
Yeah, be. Who are tell them the fuck with it?
Tibi, a years, me know you know Tibi.
Man, just
No,
calm,
you
see,
stand.
brother. I just see
But
shit.
go and run it. Don't stop run it cause it a come
Yo.
a town with me. You stay there.
Yeah, I just see shit for wash right now.
So why you never wash the sheet
For them
then?
time, I never wash it, brother.
So, oh, you know say I lied.
What do I?
From them time the sheet now wash on a different sheet up on the bed. Another sheet them left on the bed when me I got town, you know.
Oh, probably mattress one changing.
They take me thing for joke
I go
thing.
leave mattress, man. I go leave one new mattress. Look how much time we fuck on at the bed there. Oh, new mattress, be. You know me loyal and me not gain a
One
bone.
little bird link me from down here. That's why I come under secret, you know, and tell me say, where your man down here whore out the place.
No little bird can't tell you that, you know. Let me tell her
What
that,
you mean by saying no little
Which
bird
boy,
can't tell
little
you?
bird? No little bird can't tell her that, me say.
You never come.
Yo, just, we don't need fear chat about this in our yard, brother. Remember say
See, any
neighbor
day I
them.
find out say you have sex for me, I'll kill you, know.
Yo, remember say neighbor them, bro. You know, understand say neighbor, bro. I know we want live in a community, you
So
know.
what that do?
Come here, we go in our house.
We are, hey. Nobody move so fast. Yes, we are gonna go in our house, but me and you not doing anything. You are gonna wash the sheet them.
So,
You are gonna clean till you're tired. Show you something. Of course we are gonna go in. Go on in front of me, boy.
can't take your dirty style, you know.
Who for style you can't take?
Come on, man.
You want to go and talk to me? Where is up?
You sure I go up on the road?
Where you
And
go?
come back. Now pick
Every
up,
minute, sir.
now pick up on 15 grand. Now you and forward back.
Who send the money?
Don't worry about that.
No, hey! Go in my yard.
One of my friends them send me a money and I have to cut babe.
Which friend you have? No, where send the money?
Come question me
Tibi.
whether you soon come walk or catch a place before
Tibi,
you.
you not spend no money in our me no. Which one since you have friend of foreign? Me no know about this a friend. I look how long me there. Me no know about this a friend. Ya.
You don't waste my time, bro. Walk or catch a place before like just stay in a yard till me come back. Don't move.
Where you want tell me if you stay? Me can tell you if you stay in this.
I'm money you have to pick up.
Let me spit a gun and enjoy and reach ya.
You soon come back.
Always go like say you want control people.
TV! Babes! TV!
How that I call tip?
TV! Babes! TV!
You look like a one mad gal this. Which Tibi, which babes? Oh. You coming at me yard, Tibi babes, Tibi babes. Who is you?
Me a TV woman.
Eh?
Me a TV
Hey
woman.
girl, I better enough for coming at my yard and not tell me say you are my man, woman.
Eh?
Where you come, boy?
Me come to tell me good news.
Yeah, give me
So
good
me
news.
pregnant.
No, so your name Sean?
What? Which Shan? My name Riri, girl. Where look for?
So all that... Hey girl, left my place. Come on.
This a girl is not easy.
Left my place.
You not have no self-esteem, though.
You don't have no self-esteem.
You not have nothing about you.
Well, I know Tibi, and Tibi no want to know. What is it? What Tibi
Hey,
they
you know
know?
what you?
What Tibi they know? When they?
Even by when they?
When you come
Man,
and Go and film now.
Me go coffee him, of course. Tibi babes! Hey, girl.
Then this a girl a read.
Where you hide me, man? That me real.
Hey, girl. No, girl. Don't come in at me. Look for me. Look. What up? I'm in here, Shan. Yeah. I'm a Tibi woman. Door, hey, girl.
This
Door.
a girl, yeah. Look who ya. Why? This a girl, yeah.
Come on. Don't come back over here. See, next time I come over here, I'll kill you. I'll kill Tibi and kill you all I want. Don't come back over me yard.
Kill yourself first, girl.
Say, don't come back over me yard.
No, I say we must find out which part to hide me, man.
Look at whore. Wait till him come here.
What's that girl? Where am I go? Where that girl go?
Hold there.
What one?
Me can't believe you real me go woman yard.
Which woman yard?
Me want yard you came out there so.
My yard you call woman yard.
Me see one woman come out there, many woman the girl grabbing on my head.
What's she name?
So she said she name Shan.
Yeah, idiot. You know, Sammy Johnny.
After me come pick you one good news.
So what?
Eh?
So what?
Me pregnant.
What you say a while ago?
Me say me pregnant, you deaf?
I saw me one salt.
With what?
If you have two girls pregnant.
So me not think you see me alone you there with.
You love fall for things too much. That
You
would
me
look-
love for?
What you mean? You love fall for things too much.
But
Still
what
you
you
listen
say?
to me. But me can't look for you and I'm pregnant. Look how much girl out there. Look how much girl out there.
Yeah,
When you left your breed. I go contact about you're pregnant and like who you see up on me yard?
one girl.
What girl I do up on me yard?
Ask yourself, that's not me if you ask that. I'm here up your yard. No, you and the girl up there.
Oh, me forgot to say me have one janitor up there, you know.
Which janitor?
You go up there go see her do something now too.
Me go up there and me call out her name and me see she come from one of the back. And me ask you.
Oh, you don't see her do nothing now too?
No.
Oh, probably she finished playing.
Oh.
So how you go now?
Me dey go home.
You
Cause the
sure?
girl grab me in my head.
Put phone and joke aside, you are breed free.
Yes, me pregnant.
And that was the good news I come to tell you.
You sure for me?
I mean, I don't have nobody else there with. So I have it for you.
No,
You
sir.
see, uno man, uno don't like own up, uno pitney them.
You know, say me need a wash off though. God, me no know if me not boy, me need a wash off, swear.
And I'm going to go take your wash off. Me need a wash off too, because people like you salt me up.
You go on. Go to yourself, me salt you up. Salted on me. Yeah. Oh, just.
Come on. Don't babes me.
Oh, go on.
Which girl that come here so them a breed?
Girl. No, alright. Where you get that from?
What you mean by say girl? Where me get that from? One slim girl come up here with her bird candy bread. Say she name Riri. Say she pregnant for you.
Watch ya. How you there, Sadu? Like a fair woman, brother. Where are the boy? Can they say like argue with a good, clean woman? How you do?
Here ya.
Where you come from?
Me say where me come from, boy. Think me not pass a year argument. I have a picnic them on the road. All about be underage. I cuss over you and I chat about you.
Jeez.
So, B, have you leave this? You don't know what this
Mama.
One just come here, come and say, him a 16 and he a breed.
She beg me.
What?
I don't have station in name the right now on paper. Top of the list. P underage in the village right off.
Remember say bird call me from town and tell me.
Okay.
Girl come in my yard. Gone on my yard back. God said them a look for Tibby babes. Who is
Tibby babes?
You make sick of people. Relationship.
Yo, he have one next to girl a power with. What me daughter call her friend. If you see the piece of sin thing. I breed me say she a breed, you know. A 3, 4, 5 of them me say a breed, you know. Hey boy, if you ever touch me shot in your face, boy. Right now, boy, you play with me. You want to see me and don't play time. Remember, say me and don't play time.
No, what are they? Come here, son.
Ramp with me, boy. What a boy I do?
I know you may feel it, I'm here feel it. Hey, Zappy.
You see that for run. I
know that. What kind of pitney sitting this?
No,
what is
don't
this?
listen to nobody. Stop for
really?
Yo. Brother, me not tell us.
Alright, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna find 2 of them. We're gonna find Riri and the one that says she name Sean. And the one that says she name Sean. And we're gonna carry them.
Watch it, mama. Watch it. Watch it, mama.
How
boy, also that's watch me, boy. What a boy are they on? Yo, where you get a boy from?
Where me get him from?
Hey, me go mash up a boy, you know.
Please.
Boy shoot off from one day too, you know.
Here we are, so Timmy have gone.
Where you come tell me some more like you know what go on? Me go murder him.
Confronting.
What kind of man him there pick up? You idiot. Where you come from? Which town? Town I come from our country. Where you talk about?
So wait, the short time I go town go deal with me business.
Boy, I can rush me big
come back.
Hey, lucky me left it for you, you know. And that me make you know, you know. Call you off it duck and roll over this, you know.
Me yard.
Here. If you, hey, more you want the boy there, you know.
Me?
You see if you love him.
Oh.
More you want him.
Me don't love nobody.
See if you love him. I say more you want him.
Can you look like say you want to go Timmy problem?
You hear me say? Alright.
Go to me gate.
More buck him again.
Timmy! You run! Stay around! No, come back right as so come in and don't talk to you. Come in at this. Watch out, you run out and slippers. That means you're true. In gone.
In gone.
Stay there, ask if in gone. Come in at this.
In gone.
You ask me if in gone.
Me say if in gone.
Yes, in gone.
You sure?
Brother, you don't let me forget your next rounds. Come to me.
Oh, in gone, for real. Me say you.
Because you make man a fear run out of your own eye. Come right as so. Me here say you have gun. And you shoot off a man last week.
Me?
No, me.
Who tell her that?
You know what go on? You know what go on?
What go on?
We're going to look for Riri and we're going to look for Shan. We're going to look for 2 of them. More know them. Because you see, none of them no reach 18, you go to jail.
So I'm going to look for somebody who I don't know.
You don't know? Well, me I go look for them and make them come look for you. Since well, them I come by you.
Well, you go and go look for them because I don't look for nobody where I don't know.
And nobody tell me say you're not sleep here tonight. Right till you sleep. And you're not going no way.
I hopefully you'll find them.
Hey.
Like to know William Shannon.
Hello. When me I talk to you, you turn your back and walk off for me. Not when you're in my eye, you can't run out a road. Don't ramp with me. But oh yeah, sex underage. TV, I'm a killer. Where you take me for TV?
Tell us you love listen to people too much, you know, babe. Stop listen to no, don't listen to nobody, be. Cause
Looking at me, I am. You look like me, I laugh.
you know I'm going now, man.
Hey! When you did that sex them and put yourself in a trouble, you never did that walk off. Where you gone there?
Which gun? Which one I gun them?
What do you mean by which one? Brother, nobody come go like you want to use this for me. I'm a kill you. Where you gone there? In a Ufa yard, TB. Eh?
You see, you know
Hey, don't put your hand on my face.
I tell you what wrong
Don't
with
put your hand on my face.
Me can't have gun in a yard and boy I run me down. I mean not go lift
You're
up
not
that
going to
and
lift you
come
up in
back.
front of me. Because you know what type of woman you have.
You know what? Come go lay down now, man.
No, for us.
Me go lay down, go and go look for Riri and Shan. We not ready?
I mean, I'll carry them come to you.
Bring them come. Go and lay down. Now no time for your chat with her.
Watch him. Just if you want to go for them.
Kayla! Say jump up, so girl.
Girl, let's get to a dream.
Okay, a dream.
If you go, got me hard. You have to got me hard.
What do you, girl?
You dream some man give me bone.
Oh God, a natural thing.
I know. This not natural. Me not have to kill one girl. I mean, not even a beard. Me see past there. Not even my phone, me now walk quick. Oh God. Oh God.
Tell me why you make one dream, make you walk away then some.
Girl.
Go on. Just please.
Take me off of the bed. Oh God. Ah.
So anyways, girl, you know, so I remember being out of the yard, you know. I go show him where my father say if daddy asks you anything, say, are you?
How you go?
Are you?
Yeah, man.
Me a call look for, yeah, him me a tell about
you. Me a call look
Like if you like girl, can see it pan you.
I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin know them something there.
Looks are deceiving.
Anyways, me still a call for all you saying and the money. Yeah, but me a call for because I'm baby father.
So
All you say you don't know if I you breed me, you know. But I have it as you.
come on, we go down now.
Go where?
Me yard.
Say I'm coming here now, but you don't want to give me enough food in my belly.
Me come and look for you now.
Yeah, you look for me for. You have money to give me?
Don't worry about that. Come on.
Make sure you have money, you know.
I say come on and tap it and
Oh,
talk.
yeah, come.
Chat too much, man.
Make sure you have money. Oh God, me tell you. Anyway, cause we know you're looking, you don't really understand, but we're gonna make some of you eat. Can I say to something and come back?
Yeah, man. Because you young, you know.
Yeah, you're young.
Just come home. We're so
Yeah, man. We're not gonna take long, yeah?
Make sure you know.
Yeah, girl.
Oh yeah. Me not a relative look so. No, sir. Oh, look for me. What you do ya?
I'm a cousin and baby father.
What?
They want make food. How are
I
you?
still on this chain. This about how me. How you wear this? I'm not a thief.
But they know say I'm my next girl. I can see it on him.
Timmy!
How that?
When me a own that I mean, can I pull the door?
So come.
Let me where to come. I am who in here.
How want me feel now?
Move. Who that from my veranda? Where the
no
place
know.
looks so? Who that from my veranda? She
How-
say you in here with woman.
You know me?
Who she?
Where you come from?
Oh, that's kind.
Some mad girl from my veranda. Hello, from my
Yo,
veranda.
run him off from
Come
veranda.
off from my veranda.
Where you come
Come off
from?
from my veranda. Come off from my veranda. Come off, man. Oh, who she?
Like something wrong with your head.
Oh, something must wrong with it. Say good.
Right, you
You
hear
look up
that
in here, do me come look for you. My mind tells me to come look for you, so me come look for you.
So I
Oh, I'm
think
going,
that-
you don't miss me.
Me no must miss you.
Oh,
How long now me no see you?
I see, but then I see, make your bed root up, so.
Yeah. That's why I'm take so long to pull the door.
You dirty clothes them want wash, man, and smell bad, and smell rankish.
So you can wash them for me.
Like, me go for good, woman. But I look at the girl frightening me, you know. You know, tell me about she away upon somebody in her house. Baby, for the time I say, I see when my house change.
Oh, yes, say she mad. Mad
That's how
girl.
mad she mad like she lick her head.
Something
Let
do
me go
her.
wash the clothes, you know. Then me come go back down. I'll come, me might
So how you just want to come and cut, so? Look how long me not see you.
Hello, me and my friend. Me just come check on you the one time because me the other me boring. I want mine say, me fi come up here, so me come up here.
So friend better than me?
Yes, spend time with me. And the first me ever stay over my yard so long till I sleep on my yard. So when me there want to sleep here?
I know I'm all pretty much.
And when me there you don't want to sleep here, what happen?
I know I'm all pretty much.
I mean, you don't want to sleep in?
Go and go wash your clothes for me, please.
Yeah, alright.
I'm hungry too.
But time all a little girl, you know, man. Problem, you know. I town, you know. Many things left out of yard, you know. Man, to him, man.
Yo, come here, man.
Soldier this here.
Come here, man.
Your friend, me, no, sir. Supposed to give me heart attack.
Come here, man. Come here, son.
Good afternoon, soldier.
Where you come from?
I come from my yard. Where you talking about?
Show you where you come from.
Yeah. What want me do?
Yeah, boy, in a place, you shoot up, you bust people shot them in a place.
No, Soji.
What you mean, no?
No, Soji, you can't say that. You see, if I come from prison, what do you? Me make sure me stay out of all trouble.
So you're a bad boy?
No weapon, nothing.
A bad boy alone go to prison, you know?
No, man, I lie, then tell upon me, Soji, man, I lie, then tell upon man, me bad my neighbor them from back in the days, that's me. Nothing like that, man. But yo, I can't tell you who fire shot them around here. Guys, if I come, may I hear news and be a talking in the village and ask nobody nothing for you come here. I'm here first, my Daisy.
You ask no question. How you say about to shot them?
You have to take time to talk, cause one wicked piece of boy, you know? They call him TB. Nobody not dead in but a pay gunshot him and fire all about the place. Them afraid them run like a poster. That's why hard left me hard. I want like a rat belly daughter me have no tap come out of yard that she me did want to go look for. But Soji, you're frightened me. God know me, I tell you the truth. Look, must give me a heart attack.
Where him there? Where you live?
Me don't know where I live. Me didn't know where I live. Me came there right away. You could have asked me that, Soji. Not like that, man. Me a good somebody, man.
Lift up your shirt.
Me not have nothing, Soji. Me clean.
What you have in your bag?
Me clean. My bag. Nothing in my bag, man. I just me card. I just me card. Cause me dey go buy something for my daughter eat. You see me? God knows, Soji, man. I tip him to say you with me. One bike a pass. TB you here. TB in maga, in brown, and in teeth and chaka in her head. TB in
So you know where you live? Where you live?
I don't know where I live, my father. I know where I live, but I carry there.
Yeah, give me description of man. And you don't know where you live.
You see, that's why it's good for give information, because when you give them a turn it back on you. Want me to look while Soji mode and me tell you what happened, so I can get myself out of trouble.
Hear me say, let me see you back on the road. Disappear.
So me can't go for my daughter, Soji?
Disappear.
Alright, boss. One more problem off of my head. TB again.
Oi.
Yo.
I done everything now. I done wash your clothes and I cook food, give the money I send you to the bed with it.
Yeah, I see me, man.
Okay. Alright, good. I'm come back further now. You alright?
So you're gonna spend a good time with you?
No, man, I forgot back down right now. I don't want to get late. I don't want to travel in and that. As I can see, evening and now.
Come
I
like,
take too much taxi.
Come like you put friend over me, you know?
Me not put a friend over you. If me did there me yard, how me send the money? I'm my friend, me there, they work. Me get a job done there.
Oh, so when me I see you back?
We soon come look for you anytime I pop up. Just like I pop up today, I saw me go and pop up until I'm ready to move back in my yard.
Alright, me I go.
Yes, but me tell you this you know. You see next time you sleep, you make sure you pull the door and look if nobody they on my veranda.
Yeah.
Cause look how much me beat you, you know.
No,
sir. Cause you know, say me know, say me not ramp, you know. Cause me not feel up and shoot through the window, you know. Yes, what I say? Good. So next time you go sleep, you make sure you look out the door on the veranda. Put one dog pan there. Get a dog and put one dog pan there. Cause when I'm mad somebody come on my yard.
Can't buy a dog from when I get paid.
Alright, when me get paid then. Me not really working on my friend. Me I take money but I say I work, you know. All me do at daytime is lie down like this and cock up and go on my phone and eat and belch. A vacation me the pan.
Alright then.
Yes, so remember I know. You cannot come on my yard.
No, sir, you don't know that already. So
alright, so me I can't go back down now before I get late. Later.
Alright. Well, see you next time, you know.
Yo. Come here, sir. Oh, you run go.
I go home.
Yeah, go home. So you your father look for?
No.
What you mean no?
My father.
What you mean my father? What your name?
My name Sean.
You how much?
Me are 16.
You're 16. You are 16.
I'm 16, sir.
You're 13, man.
You want to ask my father?
Me say you're 13.
No man, you tell me. Anyways. Anything you want to say?
Oh no, they in the place. I boss if I shot them.
Oh, we both shot, what we do with gun?
What you mean what we are do with gun? You think me not get information from you?
But we, girls, some young chipmunks. Wrong information, sir. Wrong information. Wrong information.
Walk.
Watch ya! Yeah! Boop, 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 boop. You mean me daughter? Yeah, soldier man. Welcome, son-in-law. Welcome. Good choice, girl. You see it?
Daddy!
You get ghost
Daddy,
from the ghost.
Chill. Make him man talk.
Huh?
Are you daughter?
Yeah.
What your name?
What kind of question you ask me? Come in my yard and you ask me a question.
What your name?
My name is Mr. Popeye. How are you going? Are you not there?
I see him on the road a while ago and he said he's 13 years old.
No, you can't tell us I'm 13. She is 16. My daughter is 16. Which government law you can deal with that?
Boss, I know that me up on the work for you. Now, hear me I say. Carry him home for you. I see him on the road and I carry him home for you.
I go on the road, girl.
Oh, me there come.
Alright, Soji. Alright, me angle it. Come here. Let me ask you a question. What kind of disgrace you carry down for me?
Daddy,
We think your man here coming at the yard with. You coming here with soldier man. By the way, where your cousin there? Where is your cousin?
Me did go left because the man something there. I saw me there going and the man see me and tap bone for go home.
Shop round there. You see, little girl. You see where you cause me swear to your man a while ago, you know, because you're bad like a yard, you know. Me swear to you come to daddy for your son-in-law, yeah. Come ready to pin the belly for him, you know. No run.
Someday you want to do?
Yeah. Yo, let me teach you something. The what this boy can't mind you. So you have to pin the belly for who have money. Soldier man, they have money. You see when soldier man kick out door and go in for people. I find how much millions you think they were carrying everything. When them kick off door and going and too much weed, you think they were carrying everything. Me tell you already, say who have education is thief. You understand? Police and soldier are the same thing, they are thief, but police thiefer. Police are the most thief in this thing. Soldier will just bypass the police. Now bypass that. Galarine, you see me raw door. Come here. You really gonna lay down with the dirty boy?
No lay down with nobody.
You really gonna lay down with the dirty boy? Give me some of my money where you get.
Me not get no money.
Cause since I don't do my life here, I live.
Oh Lord.
You know do what?
Get no money come never do nothing.
I used to smell so fishy. Mama, make you know when they come 5 times. Cause that smell like when I'm in the family home and then come 5 times, you smell fishy extra. Huh? Take your backside, go and go wash off your little fishy self. In. Jesus. Let me see how long that one day will take to come in a yard. Cause them feel like, say, they say you come down and feel breathe. All right. Come.
Papa, you see that I bring that man here and jump through window and gone left me. Me if I wanna walk on the road.
I want to know who to believe, you know. Hey, stand your backside right there, so. What you say my daughter do?
She bring me back man yard and jump through window and gone left me.
She bring you to Sean, come here. Come here, Sean.
Me I come.
Bring you go a man yard. Jump through window. Aye.
Where did they?
Aye.
Oh no.
Answer that one. Say it.
You can go man yard and jump through window and gone left me. Me wanna walk on the road.
Let me ask you a question now. Why you bring your cousin to a man yard?
He's not the man yard, yeah?
How the boy look?
In brown and I kind of have something the ear.
The dirty cloth. The cloth. You believe before they go to and go grind. And that's what me know. Me know so me smell fishy. Me know. And come back here broke like a dog. Eh? Look here. What me tell you say this morning?
Not for follow she.
And wait, so why you follow she come out of the yard?
Me and she go buy food.
Mama, me tell you now. Me not afraid to press you out of the last year, you know.
I probably blind me blind.
Me not afraid to press you out of the last. Me want you get good education. Me don't want you become like me daughter. You see what she become? Pregnant, at teenage. Pregnant, you know, reach adult. Cause when teacher something say when you're 18 you're not adult yet, yeah? Don't make nobody fool you. 19 and an adult. 20 and an adult. It's when you're 21 or over 22, you consider yourself as an adult. You understand? I want to forget what I say. When you are Jesus Christ, you know what? What about it? Go. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Where?
You love lick so daddy man. That thing
Alright. Me want see how long you can run for. I go and see how long you can run for. I must buck you.
Put on my iron. Put on my iron. Where you come from?
I never did that.
No bother tell me that I'm just left from out here so I go down on the road to go look for you. Where you come from?
I never did that.
You buck up all in a soldier, you know. I wonder if you know the soldier almost kill me.
Why soldier say to you?
A 3 box the soldier boy box me in my face, you know, because of you know.
Me? What me do?
Actually, I'm that I'm in a broad skies cause your jaw right now too, you know, make you get them back, you know.
What
Where
me
you come
do?
from? Where you come from?
In here. Or with my friend, whatever.
Look, girl, stop ramp with me. Stop ramp with me. Where you come from? I wonder if you know, say, tomorrow you got cops.
What?
And all me and watch and see.
Me now
if you
got
got
no
change,
cops.
there is no change in the scene, you know. Where you come from?
Sean.
Where you come from?
Sean.
What? Again? So Sean really obey you for you?
No.
Get up off my bed. Get up off my bed.
Since get up there, what now?
That's what I will give you for eat. But don't pay your knee. Go down. Pan your knee cap. Come out here, sir. Come out here, sir. You're not here. I'm going to ring up. Yesterday, you sir. I'm going to ring them up. Take up this. More you hold them out, hold it over your head, so. Hold it. I'm going to teach you a lesson. I make this a buckler drop. Oh, yeah. Myself will hold up it straight, so. I don't want to see no bend in your hand. And if you ever make this a buckler drop off, remember, me tell you, say, me broke you up, you know. You see this friend thing?
Oh,
you see this friend thing? You see this? I'm going to make sure you stop
No,
wearing them here too. You see your ears?
If I keep on,
You see your
I
ears?
think you back on the job.
Alright. Go and go up on the road. I show me left my phone. So money if you pick up and something. If you start out. And if you come back up here, as I see in the same position on my left you, you see what go on. No here! Here!
Yeah.
Oh, God, girl.
Mama, take your time, take your time. Left it. But I'm much done me house.
Girl, una go say me nasty na this today, because I'm bed tonight.
Mama, you never know you come back.
You better know me I come back. How often time I come back?
After 10 now, you know, me never did expect you. Where you go so long?
Girl, when you go to my yard, I see a brown mad girl down there. She mad.
You know you mad.
Because she has secure my doorway, you know. I say me walk up, I say me get a dream, say me man give me bun. I say me walk up. I say she sit down so they sleep. So me look on her good. I mean no say me not hand her relative. No relative. Where word be?
Relative.
Look so. Well, I'm like, remember them black like my granny Dutch pattern and them look so brown. So me just look so.
You know you're sure she not secure. Uno man?
No, uno man.
Yeah, no.
No. When me go so. And me go so. And me wake up and say, look for me. What you do, yeah?
What she say?
But she there, yeah, so they wait for somebody from out of the house.
So where's somebody there?
Nobody never in our house.
You sure you never on that bed?
Girl, let me check. Me never check the bed, but nobody came on the bed. But
You sure she not jump through the window?
Girl, nobody never did that.
You sure she not do somewhere? So boy, when you go in, the man put her out.
My man not so skill, my man fool.
Oh?
My man not give me one girl. Me go in there and me wash, cook and clean. Me never clean, just wash and cook. So me get some
You wash
food.
and cook?
Me get some food.
You wash and cook and you come here hungry? Not even one little tin of food you can't come here?
Girl, me...
Yeah, come tell me say, you're hungry now.
Yeah, girl.
When me disrespect you, Kayla.
With what?
Kayla, me your friend, but no make me diss you.
With what?
You have time to go wash and cook for man. Where other girl are secure.
No.
Secure the girl are secure
No.
him. The girl act mad because she know what you need, man.
No. No, girl, can I secure man and my man house and sleep and sleep on veranda? The girl jump and sleep on the
damning battle. You're a damning battle. You see right now, me not feed them. And slowly, me smooth till come out of me yard. Because there is no way you can go cook and wash for me. I'm coming hungry.
Am I man that?
You not even wash for me dirty clothes them.
You're right.
So,
you're very out of order.
So me figure a road. Go can man for feed you.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Queen.
You don't have snot there.
Miss Princess, this no meant for use. Must show you how for
use it as bait, mama.
No, mama.
Mama, you need to learn to have your front and use it without being touched. Jam and tight up in there and go road. Man will say pss, pss, pss. You tell them say you're thirsty, you can't talk for long.
No. My man at work, he have money. Me cook and give me man.
He have money. Where 100 there when me give you?
Me give me man.
Yeah, maid.
What's your man?
You give your man and your man a work? Girl, your man for work and you give your man.
Listen to me, girl. You must learn how to mind the man. You must mind, feed, and clothe the man. And wash the man dirty clothes.
You is nothing but a yamed, Kayla. Kayla is a yamed. Right now, I'm to the guy yard.
Me a yamed.
I
don't care. I go and lie down. Now, not even be a time too late.
All them dirty, nasty something, yeah. That's where the yard come from. Now, what the man yard?
Girl,
what the man yard? You have to cook, clean. The 100 way you have in here, you send Gagi man. Browning, I watch man. I also send my girl mad.
No, Browning never watch me man. You say no cool much chatting. My girl, shut up, my gambit. Make it time.
I want the next day you go down there. You see the girl pan top of your man.
Girl, any man that give me bun. Me limb off a girl head down there when me good on.
When you good on there, she limb off the girl head when you see the girl out to do a sleep.
Girl, you don't argue with me.
No more your man beat her. And she go to do her go sleep for 2 minutes.
The girl man.
Oh, you shall kill her now, come in and cook for tonight.
It's a little 14-year-old me see out there. She don't look too big as a little child. The penny little, you know.
If me and man me not there with the kid, look like 12.
That's how I'm supposed to look.
Then if you look like 12 and you're a man, why you not go at the 14-year-old? The nasty self.
Lock your door, look off the light.
Where you go? As daylight peep, you get up. Where you going?
I go about my business, daddy.
Where you cousin there?
No, you must in that house.
I'm gonna tell you something. Not because you're pregnant, you feel like you're a big woman, right? Me understand that I not feed you. Yes, but I don't need to feed you.
What do you mean by you're my father, no? If you support me throughout this.
Listen to me. I'm on the road, me I go right now, myself. So, you see when I stick to my shit there, so. You see if I reach back here before you, me and you go in a problem.
Daddy, yeah, you know say,
you might then take food out the road.
Me a big girl now, you know?
That don't make you be a big girl. You understand?
Once you get pregnant, you're called a big woman.
Hello. Once you get pregnant, you call it a big woman, right?
Yeah.
Once you get pregnant, you're supposed to come out of my ass house.
No, that's
go live with the dirty boy.
Still live with them that when them have pitney.
I want this parents that any parents put up them pitney when they're pregnant, they're worthless like a dog.
Who do call it worthless?
What you call it?
They're still supporting their child.
If you go have more pitney again, Figure breed again. That's why some only have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people because of the show them down for a family member. Or the free like a car party. I want to see them, whoa, in a party. They don't back it up on a man hood. I want to feel the hood. Or the guard on the bush side. And take it. Breed.
Me not take no one on the bush
push
side,
out
so
that
don't
one
mix me.
do the same thing.
Don't compare me with no other people out there. Them look like.
Go on. Can't say me they want you. Me glad that one day asleep. I only hope I don't breathe. She a breathe since she come here make she asleep. Go on road too.
Why babe? Go over here, there, man, car. Man, what the baby head I see?
Also you want to live, dirty jankro. Eh? I say you want to live. How? I say you breed my daughter. Eh? And you have this thing over here, so. Eh? Now, who this?
Your baby mother, what you mean?
I'm a baby mother, sir. Me don't know you.
Baby mother.
You know him?
So you know,
No.
say, you know, say, I want a tall girl.
Well, if the tall girl cooked it clean, him would not stray.
You say, only young girl?
Right.
You say, only young girl, only know no want.
Me know me want. I mean, no say him me want.
And that's she, no one.
She have, he have money?
A bad man this.
So that my daughter take up your fault because you're a bad man. But Mr. Badman, let me tell you something, Mr. Put her out. You hear? Make sure you have full cup if you can put her up. Because it seems like you don't have no house.
Yeah, you hear him, I say.
Me not hear him because I come like him a talking at tongues.
You see, only young girl on mash up in the future.
Who? Are your daughter much up in future?
Only make all the family look like the worst.
Oi, they all this.
God give you your property, you multiply it, but not multiply with cruff.
I'm a man, you call Croft. My nice, clean man.
Where my work?
Where my work?
Yeah.
My bad man. Him bang the line.
Oh,
Yo.
baggy line.
Stop wasting time with this man. I'm tell you some more water.
Remember somebody why, you know. Remember somebody why, you know. Child, let me him breed you. That's how we can tell us. Jesus Christ, we have him back now.
Like you never did that
She
here.
a real idiot.
You know that born me some man.
You look at the boy cute.
In good looking, bad, but in good looking like my man do.
Oh my girl, your man goodly ugly. Out the phone I broke. Whatever.
Come back.
Tick though.
Yeah.
Well, I'm
They coming like the V and them that done this so too. Them they sitting me want you know.
Keep your eyes off.
Yeah man?
Yes. In a dream.
In your dream, oh.
You can't take that one now. You know when they cute then turn back.
No girl, me don't want that man there. No, they come like a fish, I don't want a fish man. I want big, strong black man.
You get that one now. No, so that one I can't cook.
Well, anyways, girl, me hungry.
So what yeah?
And that me a talk about. Me hungry, come like nothing there to eat.
No, nothing there for eat. I your time for buy food.
I like you tell.
For real, last time I said no longer wait for you.
What do I?
Buy food.
Me no
I
money.
would like one large food in a corner bar.
Me no money.
I'm a pasta instead of raw veg with a box juice, so they're coming up.
Me no have no money.
Me don't put in my order already.
Oh, me don't take out your order already.
Oh my God.
You put it in it and I take it out.
What you can do?
My girl, look here. You see that pocket here?
Look here.
You see that pocket here? It's empty.
Mine emptier.
No money in there. Cut out your fast. You remember go sell it on the roadside.
Why you sell your fast here? You're longer than mine.
Ma, and my man put in this wall and pan when in the round there so.
Oh well, me nah no man for
Don't worry yourself, girl. Don't worry yourself.
Where I go take your food? I get the food them.
Me I go pan the road. And me go pan the road, go make her money. And me go show you how me make money. Me I make bigger money than what you make.
Alright.
Me go show you. And me show you how I go dash a big expensive. Me go dash your money pan your girl.
Oh, yeah, can want food. Me no want
Yeah, me I'll show
no
you.
rabbit. You hear pasta, cause me
Yeah.
kinda sick. I want. That's when I buy orange juice. Buy one box orange juice and a hot bottle of
Don't
water.
worry yourself. Lie down a cup of foot.
Oh.
Soon come back.
If you can go with you?
Lie down a cock up, mama.
I'm so cock
Me soon come. Wait, just wait.
What's a good girl?
What go on?
How are you there?
You know, see, I told me I come from.
So you really gone round the other side of town, you met somebody, man?
Me got my friend me around there with a go and live for the community cause right now, me can't bother for work.
While you live off for your friend, you know. Fear look how you still with him?
Who that?
The boy when me always see with him, and they go like him a bad man.
Oh, TB?
Yeah.
Of course, I'm a man, that.
Are you man?
Beats.
Flash news.
Tip a beat. Flash news, wine rich.
I two secret more I tell you, but I go and save one for last.
How happen?
You see one of me I save for last? When you see me buck him, at that time you go and know. Right in front of you, but that one I know, let me tell you.
So what going to hear your daughter?
That worthless piece of shit.
What do I?
That worthless piece of shit kick out himself out of school.
I like tell how comes. What opinion you want?
Piercing nose. I done 2 more, I don't know much later hearing, but I don't really matter about the hearing, because that part is not really relevant, because if you want more of it, all I hear, I don't have a problem. But the tattoo, neighboring.
I mean, I'm not tattoo.
I don't need to say about tattoo, black still, so no tattoo not going to show up on you.
But you try this me?
No, I don't this you. But I just tell you, I just show, black is more than beautiful. Black is like a raspberry.
Why you stick that fit him, man? No?
Oh. A while ago, I see a man with a little skettle.
You skettle? One dog? One mongrel dog?
I don't know if it's a gorilla or it's a what. But
it's a what?
Right now, I can tell you, say, he gonna hump that.
Hump what? When gonna hump? My man now hump dog. You idiot? You must say a human being a hump a mongrel dog when they walk on 4 foot?
Me never say 4 foot.
What you talk about then?
2 foot human being, girl will look good. She hot like a fire. She's sweet, mama.
Like
she's
that.
sexy, mama.
I like you, I tell.
Emily look a bit younger, maybe with a hump part too.
Why you let a man go hump what?
And it looks she's pregnant.
No, you idiot. And you put on the belly get knocked out. You idiot.
A joke, she's not pregnant. Left that
You're
channel
really
there. But in God, don't let it do. Hey, no matter kill it, no matter murder it.
I the 2 of them me I deal with. Bright. Oh, hump.
I tell you about no young girl on the stay on no one lane.
So, you can still have a sheet in your hand.
Can she wait up?
So we plan for the about the baby situation coming up. Plan for that shit not belly.
Why worry? I can't pray. Just know say baby have to come. You know you taking her suffer. You ever hear say baby? Who that?
Timmy! Timmy!
Yeah, me I come.
Look up in me. Look up in the house for.
No, you know.
Look up in the house for.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah. Oi! I so nice. How you treat them? What you treat them? Which part the treat that TV? What that? TV how is?
No.
TV how much girl that TV?
I'm a cousin.
Which cousin?
No, I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin. No. Girl, don't chill with me. No, you idiot. Don't chill with me.
You're not coming, man.
I'm a cousin.
Which cousin that? Eh?
Girl, don't chill with me. Cousin.
Anyway, my book a girl dead,
I'm a cousin.
Which cousin that? From Poofa side?
My father's side.
Eh? I must, you know, I sneeze this morning.
Sorry, I'm going to say just come.
I sneeze. And my man tell me say one girl up as I'm going look. I don't see me a girl with. Eh? After me left here, I'm a place. I'm a sitting here a girl with.
So who tell us I'm a woman that?
We are doing a house with girl.
I'm going to tell us I'm a cousin come visit me.
Which cousin that? From Poofa side?
From my father's side.
I here to take my father. I eat that I really take my father.
You know me love you, I mean
You don't love me. You can't love somebody and like somebody about. Where you can't throw shit over head. Me know they trick you already. We lick off your head, you know. We limb up your head. Give me this. You talk about shit. You know how me know so you reach over here with girl. One man see me on the road and tell me say my man gone over me yard with woman. So yes. Show you something in this boy. Buck up head. Tell you to no ramp with me, you know. No ramp with me. No ramp with me, boy. No ramp with me. You not laugh. I feel me hood. Feel me. We are gibon. Who are gibon? Listen to me. Listen to me, confessor. The next time you bring a girl in a so, And me a cut it off and put it in my handbag.
Beat me and ask question.
What you doing at the house with the woman?
You tell us how my cousin much time.
Which cousin that? Cousin from which side? Listen to me. Me never look for that girl there. Don't left out of the house. But you throw shit over there. See next time, me a limb off you and put in at this. Right. And out of her.
Can't take your style, you know.
Tell me listen at my place.
How are you going to for girl?
Me man Tibi. Care woman, my baby father. Care woman now, me have to jump through.
Which Tibi?
You don't know what brown Tibi with him
put up here?
Yeah. I'm a baby father.
I'm my baby father, girl.
Eh?
I'm my baby father too.
Well, me have to jump through one window.
You see the same jump window thing? Me have to jump through window too, girl.
Eh?
Come here, knock on the door, Mr. Girl. You want to jump like a super girl? I said, no, sir.
You again? See, Tibi be my mother, yeah. And she named Shan.
Oh,
Yeah.
finally.
See her there.
Hello. You didn't know the man where you take his mine?
Wait.
Hey, girl, what you mean by wait? You know,
I'm my baby father, what you mean by?
And I'm my man, you know what you mean by?
Yes.
What you mean by? Hey,
So,
first and foremost, girl, me tell you this. You see me? Me not play with Pitney. I mean, you say you're 16. And let me tell you this, me no murder. Baby, boy, you see hey! Wait till you have the baby. You go murder you know. Let me tell you this. When you look for me, hey, you hold up for your head good. Because you know me already, you know. You see, let me tell you this.
What
That's why you don't have them two picking here. Me I go take them for Uno.
What you mean by?
Me I go take them for Uno because them there in our belly I feel my man property. And let me tell you this again and see when the baby them bad me I'll lick it together. What Uno?
You know I'm not afraid of you?
Me not afraid of me.
You know I'm not afraid of me. Just wait. Just wait till I have that picnic. I'm happy about your one next time. I'm happy about your one next time. Just wait. Just wait.
People are
Just wait now. Oh, daddy no come yet. So, alright then. My beat film time then. Alright.
You beat two for time. You beat two for time.
But now, like I said, you evaluate me
You know,
like your security.
So we ask you a question. Where you really go for the road whole day go do?
Go get something to eat, 'cause you not feed me.
So where you get to eat?
Don't worry about that. We get food and Pepsi.
And you carry empty bottle in my yard?
Yeah.
And you carry empty
Because
bottle
when
in
you done, somebody will drink it on the way you come. And it's done.
So why you never throw it in a bin?
Me tell her say it's just done. And so me I go in the house there now, but I throw it in the kitchen.
In my house? You carry a destruction buckle for country in my house?
Daddy, how you know destruction? No, me drink outside and let me pick you up off of the ground.
You don't come here with destruction in your belly. Because the boy is a destruction. So if you property in your belly, right? Remember, you know, in your belly already, so a destruction. Me understand, say, yeah, you want to fit. But one thing I want to tell you, say, you know, you also went down in the belly, reach where if you reach and you push and you go ball. Remember, you know, you murder your mother at birth, you know.
So we are trying to say.
So pray for that one here. Don't murder you at birth. Because it's not go pretty.
What do you mean by me murder? Oh, me murder my mother, me a baby.
Let me tell you something. Your mother was there pushing and bawling. Bawling and calling me name. But don't say daddy. Say they walk this gunman. This when you push, say they walk this gunman. But
Me not talk about my pregnancy. Me talk about your baby mother pregnant. You say me kill my mother in child's birth.
right, you want to know how?
Yeah.
Your head went too big. And she was there trying to push you out. And I tell you, idiot doctor them say cut you out. Cut you out of your mama. No, it's too late for that. Because you come. Before you turn and wait. Before you wait.
Hello sir. When me ready to come out, come want to see son me come out. You want me to eat up in the darkness?
I love your mother so much. Yo, somebody left in the hospital and I'm not carry you come here.
Maybe if you didn't leave me, would I get a better parents than something like you.
Hey! Why God? Why you never just make she die? I mean, me woman because them stress, yeah. You know what? You're alright, you know. Your time of wine, you know. Me only warn you. I mean, I warn you again. Oh.
Shanice.
Yeah, girl.
How you do?
Yes.
Oh, you're clean. Say, come, say me I go look for you.
So I go on.
No, I'm there. I'll pass people, man. Trade those for me.
Come on. So what happened? You alright?
Yeah. Come like I just a wait. You just a wait.
Yeah, girl. So how you going with?
You there?
How's life?
Treating me right. How about you?
Can go on. See another boyfriend and them thing there.
Girl, right now, I'm not focused on no boyfriend. Boyfriend can't stay. Her boyfriend has stress. I don't want nobody stress me. Right now, my own business. Me want to that me a focus on.
Come on, Shan. You can't tell me say you know I'm a little company. That you want a little boyfriend for rub up with. Well, business is going to take a while. You're going to need money for the business. So you get it from?
Girl, as me tell them, me no want no man. Man can't stay. So me can't get hard. I can know some hard pay people. So when them pay me, me can save it and just save until me have enough money. You know me can buy somewhere or rent somewhere have my business, girl. Me no want no man.
Girl, what you mean by art? Then after me tell you in a school, say me feel like me gonna reach out. I really feel like me gonna go to art school. I bet you go look at work.
Look at work, girl. Me now time for look at work right now. Right now work hard for get. If I know say me got art and get my money, me not have time for work for nobody. Cause them love push down things for you when you can't do things. They want to push down things. And nobody can force me to do nothing. So me I got to art school, get my money and buy my place.
Yeah, Shan, make a walk. Cause it seems like your head not righted or something, you know. Because you gotta say work hard for get. You know how much people what they want and people for work for them right now? Work though hard for get, girl. Come quick take a walk, come.
But wait, we have been so far for?
Too much family there in our yard, girl. I mean, I really want to hear your business.
Oh, understand.
So yeah, girl. You know, say me have a little boyfriend that talk to people before, but me never meet him in person, you know.
What you mean in the sea? I go say I talk to them?
No, girl. How if you be ghost? Me get a little 5,000 like now and then.
5 grand? What is 5 grand? 5 grand cannot even do my ear. Can't even buy a grocery.
Girl, I'm gonna tell you something. You see that 5 grand there? Me give thanks for it now and then a year because I eat me use and make up my hair. You remember my hair used to look like maca?
So you set it for?
Girl, you make it look like say 5 grand and me I get now and then and nothing. Me sure no right now you not even have Angela upon you.
You're really right for true, you know, the reason why I come here, yard. Because through me know, I can't come pay for anything, I'm hungry, so I say I come link you, if you see if you have nothing, can give me.
To tell the truth, you know, Sean, I don't have nothing in my yard right now. Not one thing I have the definition. Hey. I have $400. I'm going to buy something for you to look about.
Okay.
Yeah, I will pay you stuff.
Ah. Okay. I'm come back here.
So all the time share for you two are we now?
I never know you want something. I think if a man give me $4 to buy something for myself.
So girl, you don't even have it hard to say, alright, buy 1 pound of mackerel and 1 mackerel and 1 pound of rice. Me chat foolishness.
But girl, I don't eat mackerel, so I'm going to go buy mackerel.
So me I go eat. I know I'm hungry. You see why it's not good to serve for people, brother? But I true you are my friend. Come on, man, make you come go.
Oh God. Actually, see me.
After me sit down right there so long, not even one strand of needle and give me. And they come tell me for that she will fear. In am owner house.
Me put a water for you where you can bench.
I bet you go home, you know. I bet you go home. Come on, what kind of friend you be?
Come on. Cause I can't have a little cup soup here and go along so far. I can't have a little cup soup here and go along so far.
Girl, boy, you're too selfish, girl. Watch ya. How you do run so?
When me at the run so, let me ask you something. Where you at the run so?
Oh, look, man, me come meet.
You can't change. From me know you appear man you meet. Don't make you say I go meet Jesus.
God is not somebody for me date. So you talk about me, God.
Me don't mean like that, Shanice. I don't mean like that. Me mean go to church, get closer to God. Rebuke, man. I rebuke. Repent. Repent.
Kenna, I really you that? You remember how you used to go on before we graduated and then I asked you to be in a talk shop?
Yes, me remember, but guess what? Me realize that God I truth you in life. Unlike you, me Jesus, yeah, you're lost in our lives. Girl, listen to me. Man not care you go nowhere. So when I say why you run down, man, you know you coming like a maths book, you're just full of problem and all in a fear head you think of one solution and a man. Well, God a man, so you come. You see? A one man you have to follow and a God. He might all like solution for you.
Wait, but what ya? What kind of reunion this?
Girl, I'm not a reunion, but I'm glad you try to sisters.
Yeah, what now?
So, you come follow me go somewhere.
When we follow you go now, make sure anywhere you go food today, cause right now me hungry.
Girl, you ever walk with your belly? You can't eat before you leave your yard. Anyways, I pay some money to listen me and talk to me.
Which man, the 5 grand man?
Yeah, the 5 grand man.
Would I do good with a 5 bills food right now?
Then yesterday you say?
No, about yesterday, girl. Yesterday was yesterday. Today is today. Come on.
Let me put on my shirt.
Why, oh, why?
How we get kitchen at this? Which money I'm chatting about?
One little piece of man, girl.
Liquor. Make sure
just one piece of man. Me never meet him in person.
From you know you never did the well in the opposite class. Come on.
And this me?
You know see a fox, baby.
Come on, man. Afternoon.
Afternoon.
And this man and me are talking about you.
May I ask you something? You remember when I tell you you never did well in the English class?
You have to come with something now.
No, he just said look on this man. Jesus Christ. He man look like he could even be my grandfather.
Hey, hush up your mouth.
You can't tell me hush, Sam. I speak to my friend. I just speak fast.
I'm still young.
Where?
I am 30.
I feel 5 grand the money I give you, cause look on the house. No, sir, I need a little fix him. I'll look on him too.
Look here, girl. You can't speak about that cause. If you there with man, you just there with him for money. Why sense? It makes sense to just go look at job. Right now, you know 5 grand hard for finding a mental.
And that she for know.
Me I say.
Every day she come and me I do that hungry belly. At least the 5 grand I feed you.
Oh, if 5 grand would do you well.
Anyways, my business don't once right now. Anyways, sorry about that. I just stop me stay. Me just love run my little joke them. So you can't too take me serious.
Alright, your apology accepted.
But Shad, me don't know you as a type of person that for run them joke there.
Well, anyway, just slow it out and everything alright. Me tell you, if you come look for me still and you can company, just let them feel welcome. You know, alright, don't eat and thing.
Right now, they want 5 bills food.
Everywhere you go with your belly, you couldn't make a man offer with something you have to determine where you want.
Look here. You see, but now never offer me or nothing, but you see, if you give me, who am I to refuse?
What is that 5 bills food? 5 bills food is nothing.
Hello, listen. You see your friend then now, sometimes you have to train them the right and proper way. First of all, go along. 5 bills food is nothing, yes? You see, when you and your friend at travel, you make them know them limit. I understand, say, yeah, don't put me a certain way when they talk, please. You see, me and you talk over the phone for the past couple of days. Well, I not even know, but I know say past more than 2 months. And why feel your face skin up, so?
The thing is that him ask you if you're hungry now, so we're supposed to say yes, we're hungry. If we're hungry, we're going to say yes. What do you mean by?
We understand that.
Oh.
We understand. I don't seem like we don't understand. But, Shanice, who are you to make them style me like that?
What do you mean by who am I to make them style like that? Me have them out?
Sorry about that. Anyway, we're your friend and me, by the way, because you get off on the wrong foot.
Alright. She named Shan, she named Kena. Sure, we got here one time. We are friends from primary school, let's see it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, you did say you want money to do something.
Yeah.
So, I make sure I go to bank early this morning before bank open. Turn up at the doorway. Come now, when you come here, we can't get the money. What you did say you do again?
So, let me have to tell you. I don't explain to you already.
Alright. So, I'll give you a good piece of money if you do what you want to do. Still, because I'm not really done so strong, but so much I can get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah.
So you're asking off your teeth like a calm dog.
20.
You know everything you see, if you learn to dance a yard before you come abroad.
You ask it 10,
sure, man.
So we put 10 more on it. So, and you can buy food for your friend. Instead of 5 bills food,
yeah.
you buy the 5 bills food
and
buy she one burger. Anything
so I have to buy she burger.
Anything they want.
5 bills food, I buy 2 of them.
Anything you
and then go drink water.
Anything you want to buy them, baby.
Yeah, go and like enough places.
We are friends for a reason. Come on.
Alright, so me will check you later because me I go up on the road. I just you me did the way upon come I forgot chop off them things there, my sister yard.
Alright.
Gonna take care, yeah, safe travel.
Me call you.
Alright.
You know, come.
Okay now, you want to stand this, so give me a minute then.
No problem.
Yes. So weird. What you tell me say after when the man always again?
Girl, but I like talk my business. And certain time you have to just tell people things to see how them react. Come on, see if you're a real girl. And you already class the man say 5 grand of chum change.
Anyways, I told you enough to judge a book by a cover, you know. But anyways, you don't know if you have my little friend for me can get. Tell her so far.
The art now work again. I think you say never want a man, you go art school. And when them pay you, you save it and all of them something there. So you want man now.
Yeah. Just link him on if you have a friend I'll see I can tell me.
That's what I can do. That's what I can do.
Alright. Then be a promise me now.
You know, I promise you, I'm going to see what I can do.
Okay then.
Can I wait for us to come on? To my belly for right now, I'm going to sleep.
Say no, they are lazy girl.
Oh no, they are lazy and want to sleep. Right now, my bum they are shoot. I'm gonna ride the bike in your bathroom.
If I want to ride the bike.
You know how much she go anyway.
Oh, go on.
You say me can beg you 5 grand.
Whatever.
No money where man girl.
Girl, right now, I see that money there. I use it and buy something on Shein for sell back. You see it? So, I not have no money for give away right now. I don't buy something for it or do what more you want.
So, what money I gonna use buy the things they pass Shein?
Remember, so when you come, I have to pay for collect it.
Alright then.
Yeah, girl.
I feel like I have finished.
So long you take in a bathroom?
Yeah. Yeah, bang a sign, girl.
No wait, then I get the important card. So come.
Girl, I don't know if I food or what, but you know, yeah.
Fine. No one give me none. I take all. One. So they give me 5 grand that would happen. Where? You don't know most of the people entirely.
Bong, you put your bong, the plunge and tissue done.
You see how one bad?
I know me have a buffer.
I'm back.
How you go? How call?
Maybe you call me.
You can't tell him buy your new phone.
Girl, I'm not worried about phone right now.
Anyways, oh my god.
Oh,
That's important call. You know all the late, guys. Bye.
Tell me about make man buy me touch screen. You don't even have food for me. Something.
No. Girl, you know say I have to go buy tissue.
Yeah, how you do with the bathroom now? I'm not sure I'm going to look in my bathroom.
Shit. Hello? My mother do? No. Shanice later.
I'll make sure that she gone so she never could have waited. My money gone. No, I have to sign this. I will never dream me a dream. I'm pinch myself. God, can I go with me money? Father God, what kind of friend them me have? Father God, have mercy upon me. If we want my money gone, I'm more hard than something them. You know, I'm not saying nothing. Now go wait. Go give her 2 days. She must come back here. She must come back. You know how long me I look for you? You know how long me I look for you? You little thieving girl. You. How much money there?
Which money I chat with?
Imagine. I wanna go meet the man. And the man give me 24,000 last time for use. 4,000 like buy something for you and Shanyam. I'ma put the 20,000 in the bag and then boom, you run gone. The 20,000
you know, say sometimes I chat too much. Let me ask you something. You love ask you. Why you not ask me why I did run out of your house, miss? I'm a mother, yeah? I get calls to my mother job and broke her hip in a hospital. So I did have to run and check. So don't come here and just go on like you want to embarrass me.
So where the money did in?
How much are we in our house?
Me and you. Shandid gone.
Oh, Shandid gone. Did I say when you put up your money? No. Use a damn big head. It's called to take. If me did thief your money, you just see me back. Yeah? You just see me
But
back.
I see me see you. I road me, I walk and I see you sit down.
So I'm going to make myself visible.
All box juice, but you can't afford.
I want to do that little dry head girl. Which box? Girl, listen me. You go find out who thief your money and talk come here call pins up on me because me not in a hit. I'm not into it. If me did thief your money, you just see me back in this community and none talk.
So okay. You run away with 20,000?
Yeah, me I run away with it.
20,000?
Yeah. Yes.
Anyways, I don't know what I know enough. Sean would have never thief the money. Never. But you see, as long as you see me in the little community, yeah, you walk past me like you don't even know me, you hear? Because I don't know say you take the money. But I hope it lasts forever.
Remember this. Sometimes it's the closest persons also where you trust. Always I do bad things and some for you. So you know what? Girl, go sort out your life. You want divide. You what you call that something again? You want psychiatric evaluation. You want what you call that? You want.
I'm not time for you to think about when you want to hear.
Baptize
as I said before.
Because you come like say you're trouble.
Hello. As I said before, see me and not deal with me. I'm gone.
Go on. Crazy.
Girl, happen.
There.
You know, say girl thief me 20,000.
20,000. After I get 5 grand, you could give me after about she seen that.
Girl, I put the money in my bag. I put the money in my bag. I'm going looking at the bathroom because she say the tissue done and all of them something. So me I wonder what she doing in the bathroom.
Thank God me never did that when he thief. Because she said me did that, you just say I'm a thief. It worse with the ask for 5 grand.
Girl, I know you never thief the money. You hear? I know you never done thief money, but you see when food missing, I know say you thief the food. But I know well can I don't tell her no, see me and not deal with me.
So you tell me so you really make the girl take it 20 grand and go with it, so? I know right now you want the 20 grand for the shield business you can't do it. I want me take it 2 dumplings, them you find me out quick. Now you see it then you can't do nothing.
Girl, the dumpling are food. But I not wild her, see it, I not wild her. Make it slide, you see it. I grow on some, go check the piece of money I have and see if I can get no more money. Because right now, I need for all the things them are fashion.
You see it? If you give me the 5 grand when I beg you now, you could have get a 5 grand back for me, you know, if you start a little sheen business where you say you want to do. But now, then take your money there, you know, no start here, so.
Girl, now worry your head. You know, you must say me I grow and I'm a man. I know for sure say him I go give me a piece of food. Right. So I can start machine business. But the thing is, as long as I get a piece of food, nobody will know. I will keep it to myself.
Okay.
Anyways, I'm gone.
Bye.
Tom! The door all lock like in the year. Tom! Are you me come a call, you know?
You don't know say we go on the road. How happen now?
You know say money where you give me girl and TV.
I tell you say your love friend.
Right now, I'm tired and hungry.
So you want to tell me say the whole 20 grand plus me give you $4,000 to buy food and you really make them go with the whole 20 grand?
I'm for know say them are thief money. Right now, I don't even know which one of them thief money. Kena say no she. Shan say she would do me that. So right now, I don't even know who thief the money. I put the money in the bag and I like say I left the money careless. In a bag I put the money.
Ah, yeah now. You see, I'm going to give you 50 grand. That's at the last. Check me back tomorrow. You get the 50 grand. I mean, I beg you, please. Don't last it. Try put it on your card and make it order fast or you make me order things then for you.
No, I really want to order it for me. Just give me my comfy money tomorrow and I put it on my card and order it.
Alright. I understand what you're trying to say. You are. Link me tomorrow morning. Come me, I go, you know, to me tonight.
So what time if you come? Can I come early?
You know what time you come out for work.
Night.
And be safe now.
Yeah.
Oh boy, boy.
Girl, where you come from?
Up the road.
Oh. Anyways, I can keep that $20,000, girl, because guess what? At 50,000 me I collect a morning early. Yeah, girl.
Jesus. Alright, so the thing with me they talk about the man.
Which man?
The man them they tell about this. Your man, if you not a friend, when can't give me.
I'm sorry to say no, but him travel solo. Him not really have no friend, you see it. Him travel by himself. So I don't know how you gonna get that right now.
So Shanice, you tell me say when you just meet him, you tell the pan card, you don't know how you look, you know if him black, him brown, him tall, him short, him ear tall or whatsoever, you know. Now when you see him, he might give you pay 20 grand and all these things. So how you get them? How you get fee? Just tell me remedy so we can get one like you.
Anyways, girl, night I come, so I'm gonna cut the story short. Come on, go back and pull up me here, see it. But then in the yard, I clean out my house. And I see a strange number call now. I answer it. And they say I'm like my voice and them something there. From that, he must stop calling me. Until 4 days after him start sending me the 5,000, me I tell you about where that's a Trump change. And so comes me get him.
Okay then girl, thanks for the info. I must get a man when I meet your skills. What go and tell her, girl? Me there, good. Have a pizza history to tell you. Me say me thief a girl 20 grand, girl. And me a plan to thief for a man too.
So from morning you don't like me. Oh you have the heart. If you come tell me, so you feel bigger chat.
Taylor, I know you definitely not talking, you know. I know you're not talking, you know, because remember me have the biggest streak there. I want me leak it, you know. Oh.
I could have what kind of secret you have for me, you know, make me not talk.
Remember, you know, me catch you and your cousin on a back bush, you know, remember?
Oh, at that theater, but no worries, me will help you do anything. Me not chat. Chat.
Make sure you not chat, you know, because I'm going to hear about. Anyways, me I go because night I come and I pay a mosquito by me.
Alright.
Night. How am I going to have to meet you?
No, man, because me name why you come to your workplace.
Why?
No, me know I'm boss. Ask me too much question. Why you
Danny boss a link.
Why you pull out to here?
Danny boss a link.
No, the
I tell you, Chance, I'm not going to pull up me here because it has scratched me and it want to wash.
Oh.
Yeah. The reason I'm call you. I know yesterday tomorrow I get you something, but I'm hungry. And you know, it's 20,000 I missing, I don't really know who missed it, so I don't get to buy no grocery or nothing.
Alright, you know. 50 grand me I get tomorrow. All the hope and the idea plan to do.
No, you know, you say I want to start machine business. I go buy something off machine and start one business.
So what you plan to buy?
When? No? No? I'm going to buy one pizza. Because I'm hungry.
One pizza. Alright, so. You want me out there now? I'll give you my card, yeah?
So you take so long for finding?
Oh, yeah, man. We're there, man.
Night. That's something.
Oh. I can't me. I know me. Wrong somebody, man. Me out.
But you man something think on you better. Yellow shorts and light pink shirt and black hat. See it there. Are you better?
No, man, enough people in the back color here, youth. I don't mean that. Listen, man. What? Man, I used to bread up there, so. Check out this, man.
Alright, let's go.
Yes. What do you do that?
So I pin?
4 or 5.
4 or 5 and why the 2 number?
4 or 5. 555.
Oh! Alright, thanks. So come back.
Yo, you. Come, run. I'm going to get you, man.
You forget the thing and you're going like.
No, listen to me. This one has to be with you. No, come here. I hold your father sit up and run with this. You see the police in on your backside. Cops no miss you.
But I'm fortunately police can't hold me you. So anytime me run off and go so, can't catch me again.
Alright, tell your father say when the mission done tonight, you get him cut a man.
Alright.
Yeah. Tell him put this on the back before being for
Reach back. Nobody never run here.
Because they always have very cheap.
Yeah.
How much you eat already?
Okay.
Alright, take time and go. Come on, you get the 50 penny, yeah?
What time?
No man, no way.
Early?
Anytime, no man. Just leave. Go on, baby.
Alright. Why you rush me so?
Just go on.
Alright. My God.
I love you, yeah?
Bad dog.
That's it. You know that you just there for the going on to do that.
So you just spot someone that buy from you not to know really.
I'm a young too. I'm top by for them. I'm a young man. Get some money I go. Yeah, man.
Keep up on. No, next time you might be.
You are
boss me and need me right where the other thing.
No, you
I'm going to give me 5%. I can 40% that money. I like them things they
no,
do.
you are one.
You could talk to boss man to say they are the man better you. That's so much tonight.
Yeah, so they deal with this, yeah. Buy a man, you can buy a vehicle.
Yo.
Like tell you.
So, oh, me I go move this tonight. A 5 youth never work with me.
No.
5 youth and a 3 party I keep. No pill in there.
A lot. But you do. The friend, man.
So what you do?
Eh?
You can't work.
No, it's what in here right now. I have to go on the boat. Get what America.
Oh.
And the government, you know, say here are the government that are MP.
Yo, only thing more you have to do is talk to boss.
You know,
but them to raise the thing to 10% or 50.
Yeah, pressure there, and I remember saying, I look vote. So you see.
If you're business about no voting, you don't get my vote, you might get your vote, for your woman vote, you can't get to.
Yeah, but you know, I'm not trying to show you. Boss, you want to vote, so boss, you're trying to sell as much to make some
Yo,
money.
it's a stress right now.
Right now, a couple of stuff, you know, tell me, you want me.
You know that part then? Because the last man me hear him send go so he no come back. So me if he never mention it to him say me sick out, me see sick. And I mention about it, you can go and come back.
Who?
You. Yeah, you're bossy close, you know, you think Nancy.
Left my woman?
Give me a watch I take for you come back.
Last man we live watch one of my woman at 3 keep me. 3. Spend 5 years and come back on the 3.
When you can move this
thing? You want to illegal them with them pass.
There's a 5 nigga mirror and a 3 party alone and keep jungle, Abu Dhabi and coloring.
Alright. Each one of them 5,000. The rest when they come up, we split it up. You know how much it
so you can get 10%.
7. Yeah, you get 2 more percent more than the 5.
Alright, let's see alright. Everything good though.
Yeah, man. And right now for the mission, I go right now before my woman circle back over the
oh yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
I want you road now, but I say, oh boy, slip on a bad dance spot in the night. In the white name, maybe. Max, Bobby. Oh, they know the Bobby spot that.
Yo, what? How they know my real name? How they really know my name?
I tell you, you're moving loose nowadays, you know.
No, you can't say that.
But I see that short.
Alright,
I'm moving. Yo.
Good night, Bobby.
Alright. Kayla. Try this one that they're not hiding on the road.
A food?
No.
So I come in a food back. Let it go.
Listen me. Listen me. Don't mention this one no food. It's not a food.
Put it in a food box.
And don't try to taste it.
Okay.
Try to give your father. See when I'm yet. Anybody top up on road, a synapse night.
Anybody top on road, synapse night.
Right.
Yes. Say no little something you can give me.
No man, tomorrow. Tomorrow.
You sure?
Tomorrow.
Every time you say you tell me tomorrow you can't come along.
You know tomorrow I tell the father to send somebody else for me.
With what?
You know, tell him to get the tax.
Look how far me and walk come from. You can't give me $100.
You know the money problem now. Tomorrow. A card me have and I can't tell him the pin for tomorrow.
You say me say tomorrow you give me the money.
Yeah,
tomorrow me no want $100. I mean know you have money. You take me.
Alright, yeah, 5 grand.
Alright. Tomorrow.
Remember, you know?
Eh?
Nobody tap me on the road.
Anybody tap me? 49.
Good.
Bad dog.
Excellent for each daddy with the chefs.
Bad dog there. And then meeting girl
Yo, tell the man if you do business fast, you know, daddy. And drop the
there.
thing, you know.
Tomorrow night do the father.
Hey, yeah.
Tomorrow night.
I like that.
Yeah, no, enough tonight, enough feeding.
Smell good, man.
Yeah. Not link me with the percentage in that man. Okay. Support, man, support. That's it. Very good though. Just chop up on things. Ah, really?
Oh yeah, go.
I'm going nowhere. I don't even want to see me walk out in the yard boring as usual.
Oh, I'm there.
So, you never go big girl? Can I?
No.
See, now I don't know about
Me not
it.
see her like the girl I don't understand.
So you don't know she live. Same like how you can find my place. If you look for food, you could do dumpling them.
Girl.
You must can go look for she.
Me say me no know which part she there. Me not a while her, man she come to me.
If you feel like a she give you money or whatsoever, what you mean by the you want she come to you? She not gonna come to you.
I know me even know what I'm gonna do, you know. I tell you the truth. I don't know what
You have
I'm
to do something, girl. Because you can't make it 20,000 good on your drain, so.
For real, you know? For real. For real.
So I know you're not getting look 50 grand fine.
No, me not get it. Around them somebody did that walk go.
You think you get it all long. Because
No.
you eat it, they well one. So what about the business? What business?
Me say around them me I go.
So how come you come on, come with you?
So what make you want to come with me?
No, me and your friend make you come with you. So now
Alright, come.
Okay. Oh, you lucky, so.
Are you may come check in?
From morning, until the last night, when you come and tell me you're hungry, you say check me in the morning. Come on, son. I will say check me in the morning.
And that man, the pizza did kind of upset my stomach, and then this morning, me wake up after level 12, and me da clean up the roast and something.
Come here and say, boy, yeah, I'm going to give you the cash when we did have.
You do what?
I give you the cash because me I say maybe you know check me and that's
My walking not then vain, you know.
I'm machine me didn't go a while ago. If you could draw the 50 grand back. Because me have to pay up some people who come check me.
Well, give me your card and make me joy. Right now, me have one phone. Can I bang a drop in the water?
Bang a drop in the water? Are you? You buy your iPhone?
Because if something do me, you can't know. I don't have no phone or nothing.
Wait, I like how me and her a par, me can take your number and thing. So if anything you can call me and get through with that.
363 6916. Yeah, in case anything. But you may say, please, draw the 50 grand, all the things in machine, and start a business.
So me can't take 55?
Take 60.
Alright.
Only 60.
So where you go?
A bank, me don't go jar the money, but since we just get card, me just have to take a walk up the road and deal with me and deal with
So I
it.
don't want back your card.
Later.
You know that?
Tonight,
Me and meet her in your workplace. Or you want me come over here? Which one?
same place last night.
So me
Same
can get
place
to
last night?
You come
We can
check
get
it
to
out.
that 5 can't I call it what we have to.
Alright, give me 1 2 grand.
2 grand? So why me can't get $1,000?
Alright, you have the 1,000.
Hmm.
Right.
1,000 you deserve.
So, go and deal with it.
Yeah, so you say meet the same place I meet her last night.
Yeah.
Alright. If anything, maybe me and her come, so me use her phone and call you.
Alright.
Alright.
Or you come alone.
You want me come alone?
Come alone.
Alright. But jar the money and deal with them she and something at the same time.
So Shan, you really want pass like that?
Girl, me not see you.
Come to hide them.
I don't get road, me say me and my friend go down the road. Anyway, Shanice, you can go jar money, me and I just say my friend at all.
Hey friend?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm so forward.
What would a girl?
No girl, me I tell you about I want to take her man.
Yeah, man, I want it. How you go money?
He man have money. He want a money man have me. Girl, a while ago me follow I go to him man. The man get a calf take 60,000.
I lie you tell.
60,000 she go call it now. But we know me say I want to take her man where she go give me number just use one style. I said like chew it over your par. Me say you can't give me number say anything you want you can contact. But Trish not even no sense.
She have phone?
No, some use his style, some can get his number, some can ring down his bell, you know?
Yeah.
Some, yeah girl, I take me. When time I don't take him, she not have nothing to get. She have to go wonder why boy not get no attention.
You must know what I want to know about is just the plan to just get this thing over with and come out of your way. But like how the man have money, me want money to me now do nothing for free. So I have to get money too.
So to me I try dig and you want to dig back.
What you mean? Oh, you want to get 60,000?
That's why I want to dig too. See like how she a dig, I want to dig too.
Me not agree with that.
So when time I dig for him, she now no more dig a dig. So me alone I go dig.
So to me, I not agree with any plan in your boat. Me dey help, you know. I show you how me see.
Maybe you have to help. You know me, hey.
So when me done, you go tell me what you want me to do for what you want me to do. But you know, say nonsense. The girl come to me and introduce me to the girl.
Let me introduce you to her for.
How am I going to take the man? How am I going to
You want the man with me what? You know say you come like you. You come like you have a plan behind.
Me not have no plan. Me not take nobody man. Me not take no man. Me have to laugh.
Make sure that you know me expose the secret already. You know me not ramping. I'm don't tell you already. Don't. Hey.
Me don't know why when me see you, the earth couldn't just open up and take me in. Because how things work.
No, I don't need so. I don't need
so. Just what you say, me know when you're ready.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know long while. So me know where you're the pan. When you're going to make me help to take the man. Help you! Me I help you get the man.
Girl, fix up your argument.
Okay. When you're ready to take the girl, man.
Oh.
I want the help.
Right.
When?
So we can know. When time we start talk and we call and then we say, yeah. So you know, we don't.
One for the money I get people $500.
No, me have a pan yes sir. Cause you come back here, so yes, me have a pan.
Alright then, turn up. Yeah. My stool there. One stool there.
Watch ya. What's there, sir?
I tell you, me have a pan here, so you know by. Me never going away.
Oh, so when I say, what going?
Where Monday collect?
Me send it to my card.
Me not talk about money. Me know say I go get 60,000 la. The money where
so
man.
So me care for you talk how much money me I go get.
The money where man tell you say you have to give me the 2 grand. I did that debate about no. Why me where man give me so much money like 2 grand is money?
What tell you say you remember? You never remember, girl. Just say you should have come.
For this time I say you not give me money.
Girl, me never remember. That's why I tell you say you need to come with me.
1,000, I could remember for being $1,000. No, Shani, say make it look bad.
My mama tell us say me want the money to do with machine business.
But
So me
I
pay attention to the 60,000 a month so me for job for deal with machine business.
1,000 nah kill you.
Girl. You know, I come up the road. Now your friend can stay.
No, me I'm coming in. You know, later.
So come on.
Go about your business, miss. What she mean? Tell her. Me have to take the man. Me have to help you, not me. Me have to help you take the man, not me. No, you take the man.
I said she mean
Look
bad.
at $1,000 she...
$2,000 she can't remember. And me go make me would remember $1,000. And you see that them friend they want to keep you don't like me.
No, we're not. I rank thing she ever do. Think I she think $1,000 alone I get for the man. You said me I go run him red.
I hope when I run the man red. You don't forget me like how she forget you now.
No girl, you know you go always in my mind. You see like how she forget me about $1,000? Yeah, she not gonna have nothing more, nothing.
Nothing at all. See if you make the man forget about her too. It's like how she go on the road and then forget the $1,000 because if you make the man go on the road and a member. When you take the man in, if you make the man member say he exists.
You see like how me have a number, everything got solved out right.
Girl started early, started from tomorrow because I broke me on the money.
Alright, you
I still not agree with you, you know.
What do you mean by?
I still not agree with you. And so I can know. Force me to have a secret, you know. So I have to say me I do it because I want to do it, you know.
If you don't want it, just tell me so I can expose that done.
No! So I say me I got to do it, and I say me I have to do it. It's not a choice, it's a have to thing. They are my secret, you understand?
I understand.
Good,
but when you talk to you talk to people and talk about taking money like it. You be one say you want to take the man.
I'm not taking the man, just go on. I'm not taking the man, go on.
Alright,
you don't even know the man.
Alright, later.
Shanice, come here.
Oh, you call me fan, don't call me son. Come here.
What your name then? What me fi call
Don't
you?
say come here, come to me. I just say come here, I beg you a minute. Remember, we don't friends.
But they tell us my best friend. Look here, me just come here to tell you, say. I never meet
Stop ring up your head for me. Just
me say me just come here to tell you, say. You go where I go do about your ringing neck. Me say me just come here to tell you, say, I know me take you $20,000. So all I have in them when you have in your heart, you can just drop it, come here tell you, say, you know me.
baby girl told this after every from back in the days from high school. You can't hold you in it, no, my love. Can't hold you in it.
And me fully talk.
But don't
That's
talk
why.
already. See me in the village and you deal with me.
My girl is short. Me can literally turn up and look over your head, me not fi see you.
I can literally defend myself. Me not
can't
fi see
defend
you.
myself.
What you try to say?
So where you are trying to say?
Girl, see me and the deal with
Look
me.
here,
Remember,
when me a
say
try
you
to
run
tell
back
you,
on
say,
me, you know.
no, listen, you love jumpy too much and that me not like with you.
Me not business you not like.
As I was saying,
talk.
Me say, I know me take you 20 grand, and me I tell you, say, if you watch out with that something there, where you call your friend. Because goodly as she take you and you penny upon me. Not because I me left out of your house last and so you want come here and think see me take your money. I know me take it, if me did take it right now, me that nice and you don't know say me take your money. I know me take it.
Well,
where they are your friends here, how she behave? Strange?
Yeah, she not have asked me about man, and she want me set link with man. Come to think of it, you know. Me really sit down and pray things, you know.
But you know what? Continue pray,
so
yeah? Continue pray. You say anytime you find out who take your $20,000 answer, you go sorry and you go see you know me. So you see all of the heavy duty there we are going in your heart like a the alkaline battery, you better go work it out and use it for adrenaline.
Yeah, man, I like.
Come from the gate.
Me never did gate, me did the young motor.
Me say bye.
And if you come here gate, what you can do? Girl, go on.
Bobby.
What do you?
That is send me to ask if nobody will come in.
Yeah. Tell your father, say, no more tonight. And if you top send up on the road, send somebody else and tell us see up on the road now. Look on the hours of night and up on the road. Where you go on the time of night? As soon as 12 o'clock, look there your bed and say, yeah. Stop. Go on, man, you know, to deal with them something. You see what me give you a night time when your father set feet. You don't want to tell you when my you never opened last night, right?
No, I'm not opening. If you open it?
And the night before?
No, but if you open it?
And the other night before?
No, but if you open it?
No, good. You don't want no thing about opening. A fool did the night.
So you say food night, but me know that they don't food night, you know food.
So you know that they food. You open it?
Me never open it. Me know how food smell. You never smell like food because me didn't hungry and I go to I'm not never in there.
Ah, yeah. Cool. Well, no. Tell your father say, we call it tomorrow.
So when money you see you give me, I never, my money there.
check me tomorrow.
I think I said tomorrow can't come.
This time, I promise you. I told me never see her yesterday. Because when I see her yesterday and morning, you like get it. So, yeah.
Don't promise nothing, because promise is a comfort to a fool. I mean, don't promise anything. Tomorrow you shall see me with a look for you tomorrow, especially walk on you.
But don't call me Bobby when you see me.
So that's your name?
No, call me so.
How am I call you?
I said Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
What's that your right name? Why you use fake name?
I'm not off. Don't even bother call me Jay. Just call me Tom when most of the people know me, right? Tom. And don't tell me nothing. Then you have a code name. I don't want nobody to know my real name. I don't know why your father tell you my real name. Your father is an idiot. I tired of saying them. Fool.
Your father do not fool.
Don't call me Bobby when you see me.
Okay, I won't call you Bobby. Tom. Tom, yes. Yeah.
Night. I come for something.
Tell me say come so late, baby.
Me there clean up my room.
Yeah, no. Me fi give you 20 right now, right? So you me going to do? Me and you go up on the ends.
So why me have to come on the ends?
We'll beat a 15 minutes and then you can go back up. Come on, man. You know where you go.
Me ain't just see this, you know.
Don't worry about that.
You don't answer phone.
I don't have none in my shop, you drop in a water, it's my phone.
Anyways, because it's supposed to I'm here call him, who do get you? Anyways, I know that man me tell you, when me say me want scam. Yeah, girl, even me say me want grow in a yard. So me say girl, me tell you, me want broke him down, want broke him way down. Me say, when time me done with him not go remember Shanice. So me a grow on the now.
So long time you say that?
Come on. I go on there now, you know what I'm talking now? Me a go on there now. I want you back me, because I tell pay like Panna, so she have pay man a check her at night time and pay things.
Okay, so me know.
When time me a talk, you say, I true, yeah? I true, because one time, when time me and Shada walk, I see her with man and we either. You know them.
Me know what you say, you just say I'm just follow
Make sure, you know.
Me say me I go do it, me go do it, me want money too.
Okay, come on. Yeah, girl.
You know that big jokes did that.
Tell somebody for.
Listen to me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why me? Bobby, my big jokes did that. I money I want to take. You for money, you know?
Tell them that there's more rope beam jump, girl.
Tell her.
How are you there?
Oh, you know what's around here, so?
If you don't see around here, follow my friend come around here. And what you do, yes or no, yes or you live here.
Tell her, yes, I live.
Stop telling lie, Bobby.
Yeah, what me tell her, like? What me tell her, say?
Tom.
Right. So what you do around here, so?
And my friend, my father come to somebody, to a man. You don't know the man. My man. We come to talk about something. We can't really tell that matter. You can find the business.
Come to you and me, come to you and she follow me. Yeah,
What happened?
Me tell about the girl. My friend, she.
Me know your business?
Shanice.
Me know your business.
A pay bone you get.
Yes, it's true.
Bone for kill.
No one little short girl, one little piece of bumper.
And she want to big and she have the bowl.
A nice girl.
Amount of money have not tap here, so. Yeah, my friends go to Kingston. Amount of man she have not tap here, so. We cannot go to pick up.
Almost.
You see your money when you give her, she take care spend money. So when she tell about, she have go buy clothes of her she have her own business. She could have
fooled you. She take care, she live with money in her house. If I go yard yet, she live with money in her house, you know.
My Shanice.
No, my Shanice.
Me know the girl. Me must know. Me know
my little virgin of me are raised.
Which virgin? And my cousin that cut that run a bush 2 years ago. Which virgin?
No, she was a virgin when we knew her one night.
She never virgin. I lie her tell. But I probably to a long time she not have sex. He kinda fool you. You see me now?
No, but it was tight.
Just prefer this time, but prefer, you know, mother come say about virgin, cause we know her. Remember, I feel friend, you know, and I weird say, yeah, come tell about virgin.
If you find one new girlfriend now.
Yeah, you need someone that can take care of you.
You sure say you see her with man?
Me not tell no lie, my father not raise me for tell lie. Me say, me see her with 1,000 man. 1,000 man. Man from Yassa to Kingston.
Oh, you know she?
I'm a friend.
Exactly. I just want to come and tell a lie like at that time.
Because let me know her.
I'm going to tell her such a lie, Tom. I'm telling such a lie.
Alright. A bun shaggy?
Yeah.
Alright, watch what will happen. You see what she do to me? Me, I go take up him best friend and take care of him best friend. Show him.
That's she?
Yeah. And flourish him.
Oh.
Why?
My excitement, she have a man, she have a man, a virgin this. Virgin that one has. Yeah. A virgin, she never have a man.
You are.
But now if you make it to our talk, still no but. Remember the $100. Remember the $100 you say.
Later, we are going to hire me.
You tell her, oh.
The $100 you say, oh, give me a hit me want. Every time you tell me tomorrow,
You really remember that?
Yes, I'm money in him. Find him.
Boy.
Find the money. Every time you tell me money, you have money, you may give me $100.
I can't believe it. I really remember that. Yo, me did tell her in the night, say, me go give your mother $100, right? So you're good on a Bev. And tell Bev, say, to give you $3,000. Yeah.
I will come pay him back.
Huh?
What?
Good evening.
Tom.
Good evening.
Good evening. Tom. Right, let's get the tree done.
Alright, look more baby. Look more.
And stop, me tell you already. Stop calling me. So.
I saw your name.
Girl, I bingo.
Yes.
Yeah, girl.
Where you bingo?
100,000.
I lie, tell her 100,000.
Me tell them like that. Me tell her per money, girl.
She get 60,000. What you have so make you get 100?
Because I was jerking. So what you mean by if vagina good is supposed to get money?
So, what my 20? I must say, for your friend 20, no more my 20 or my 50 coming one day.
Because me don't spend out the money then.
Well, you get 100, me want my half.
You still get that, girl.
I mean, no, I can't go back to him. I know I'm good.
What you mean by me make a secret?
Yes, you can. Listen to me. Girl, listen to me. I miss calm down. You just think about it.
Nobody get too ups and bright. You know already.
Alright, nobody talk about that now, but still, you promise me money, so I have to give me 20 then.
You soon get it, girl. You soon get your rush for that money then I don't know, you know.
I told your friend out there for me. And what your friend do to you, I called it to me.
Do what?
No, I give me the money.
You're going to get it, girl. You know I'm still already. I'm going to get it.
Make sure me get the money. Me not laughing. Me need money too, and I don't need money.
You're going to get it, brother.
I mean, I used to tell like I'm falling on ribs. You know, if I find out somebody funny with that tell like I dead, me dead.
I just can't believe, but girl, 1 gun 100.
Yes, girl, spend it, girl. Yeah, I work for money, a big jug there. Nobody me telling about. You know, him a big jug.
People them push drugs. They enough money they have, you know. And I never know until you told me.
Yeah, girl. I regularly man send, my father send me to him for jobs. And he kill him dead, say me things say I food in my box and no food in no box. He thinks say me food me has sense. Regularly do it every night, me have to go to him.
So I mean a long time I know him then?
A long time, but me never know say he me talk. Every talk, make me set up a long time. Long time. Me never like that. You say believe with, You
say you're in my talk and but you get too bad to ask about money or wait.
No, time promise me money. Every time I see him promise me 100, so me want the 100 of them. Every time I come make a mock up. But me not tired, I'm tired with you, you know. We are going to work and me they get some information about some situation, so me will do that.
Alright.
Yes, so you're lucky.
Yeah, girl, later.
Yeah. Remember some more money?
Yeah, me remember it.
Okay.
I'm not even talking now. I'm not talking.
So what's wrong with you?
I grew up at him slammed on him face. I said, if I go, I don't want to see me. How much me here say me have man and me this and me that?
Tell you, that girl over there, care now, you know. Come like a sheer blackmail, you know.
So now in me guy.
Come like a sheer blackmail, brother.
Right now I don't even know what to say. The package didn't reach and I want the money for go collect them and I don't even have the money.
The 60,000 when give you what the year?
We use it buy package them.
You buy, so you bought 60,000.
Now worry your head when me do the rest. Just know say me use buy package. Right now I'm not talk about that girl. I'm not talk about my problem fixing. Instant do a good them face now.
So you go back and knock you and say my open the back.
You see me doing in my face and say, girl, yeah, then neighbor them come out. What me I go back for? Tell me what me
so
go back
call him
for.
phone and see and ask him.
Girl, me don't have no phone. I don't give me the phone. And the phone me go collect now.
You know smart. Before you use half-5 money, all that things there online, then you use half-5 money buy one little bangers. You know they go Nokia phone them. I could have buy a Nokia phone. You still can't call him and
I don't want a Nokia phone, girl. But overall, I have my phone. I just need a new phone. See it. So I don't really have his number.
So I know you.
I go over, maybe call him and tell him say somebody beg a call. I don't know him. I don't run back at him right now. But I want to know who tell him say me a man. Because I have one of them jealous girl.
So now, Kena? See, that country can't teach
you
the
know
money.
how long I see Kena? From the other time she come to me, when I walk past and she stop me.
Anyways, no know we are going to do about that situation, but we can't help her right now.
So where you come from? How you look so like life been treating you good all of a sudden?
Because I'm going somewhere. So I put myself together.
So you don't have no money?
No.
You broke?
Yeah.
So your phone back fat up so?
You know my phone, I just swell.
Swell?
Yeah.
So your battery no good? So you don't feel like you're on that shit?
No. Still can make call. One thing just I do a lock off sometime.
Right now, I be careful. I be careful of you know. But you want Kena, you know, because I don't know which one to take me 20,000, you know.
Yeah,
but the truth shall be unfold.
Okay then. It's here, because I'm not really paying no mind. You know what later, you see, because I know this reach now next level, me I just, you know what later.
Run from the truth.
Bye.
Maga life.
Kena, girl, don't go there. I don't piece of it. Yo. She said, Shani Smith top down the road and she stopped me. She said, you're a blackmailer, girl. Pay things. You thief her money. You try to take her money. What's up? Pay things, girl. Pay me some.
In court, me say my pass me, I just say no. And me say, me tap me and tell her, say, me no take her money and say, and she still gone down there so with it.
But she see me and I tell me, girl. Big embarrassment.
Well, thank God I wasn't there to get that. They only embarrass me now. May I go confront her? You coming?
No.
Oh, no. May I confront him?
No. Girl, money. Oh, feel like that. Go on.
Black girl, turn up your sock. Hey, you know, love me, I look for you. I'm put up my phone.
So your text so strong an idea, yeah?
Oh, turn up the sock.
No, yes, I want turn up.
Look here.
Yes, I want turn up.
Me say, me tired of you. Girl, me say, you never satisfied.
No?
Shh. You never satisfied anytime you walk and I call up me about me take you 20 grand. You never satisfied. Now you walk up and down and I talk about how me take your man and I blackmail you. How that come in? When that come in?
Where you get that from?
You want me to cut words out of your mouth? Where me get it from?
Yeah, where you get it from?
Shan come and me hard
gear. Shan, because she alone come to me and tell me, say, you take my 20,000 and you take the man.
Me, girl.
So the two we can go to Shan, you know.
The man what you have, you know that little cartoon character there? Where, I can't wait. In The Simpsons, I see him say a damn ugly man look.
I play a cartoon you watch.
Yeah, all you missing the two. Cause look here, your friend have your friend have a Tom and Jerry.
Your long
shut your
father
mouth.
in there.
Me not talk about that.
Shan tell me everything what she tell you. So here what?
And Shan come there on my yard and tell me garbage.
Me and you can go to Shan, you know.
Look, so me not go to nobody. What happened here, so?
Yeah, little mix up friend.
Hey, take your time and talk to me. You know, she the talk to me. Shani take time and talk.
Me say, yeah, little mix up friend.
Hello.
Hi.
Cute face, step your mouth.
Thanks.
Sit to me now. stop short off and me you know say I simple ask what happened here so I turn into the fight and I turn as
We
friend.
not fight.
We not fight.
You mix up
Me
friend
just a
Shan.
confront her.
Tell she said, me said, she take the 20,000 like when me missing. Alright, and follow me go
Shan come to
somewhere.
me. Wait there. Shan come to me. And I tell me say, she say, I call up my name on road and I talk about blackmail for your damn ugly man.
You ever hear me tell Shan that?
International talk, me not really did it, you know. At first, me I will a conversation. Listen to me now. I be a Shan say Shan this, a Shan me want find right now in the evening.
How she
you
with
know.
Shan again?
Shan, one bag of I one bag of things she not chat about me too, you know. And she me I go to the because she not secret over me. I want to
yes,
come to.
So right now me want confront her.
Shan and over there. I come me want to come let me go to her. Because she not have nobody try to tell her to say. The way the news go, let me change her shirt. You have a sweat. Oh, he hurt me.
Which news?
Which news? News that wait until Shan there. Shan after day after that news and she after day yes sir.
I want that.
If I not today, or tomorrow.
Right now, more.
Even if I even hear Shan, hello me call me and say, Kayla, I shall be there.
Yeah, I like louder.
Yeah, I tell Shan. Girl, you know,
she will be there.
You know, we don't know who my mother have magic. You know, tell her this.
Fly.
So no did it. Go to Shan yard tomorrow. Yeah, who knows what Shan is?
You have yard?
Me know.
I'm not yard she ever come.
I would never see her. I would never see her. I don't know what she living off on the road to meet her. So anyways, we shall find her on the road, right? Right now, I up me there can go. I go look for my father right now.
Me think a Shanice say I got.
No, I don't look for she, you know.
She I look for.
Me know say a she never look for, but no say she never look for. But guess what? If you understand, say me don't say me have father. Me even girl. Tomorrow after her come, come here big thing to tell her you know.
Father.
You're bright. Your father a billionaire, trillionaire, you can't chat to me and you all you could have look my father don't know, you know. You don't know nothing. Me get one big secret so. Me know everybody business in the society. And you tomorrow I want to see you.
Ah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Can you just act up with them?
And that cause off the girl I want good friend, that cause off the girl ugly self.
Maga, you need to work back. As me I say.
As me I say. You see, yes. I see they want to they see they look up all group they were having. They're going to jack them out and show them how our natural hair talk.
Woo! I want to go on your stuff.
You still come back off from church, I'm done with you.
What you do your stuff? What you do your stuff?
Off from church, I'm done with you.
What you do your stuff? You can't talk.
Listen me. You don't want me to you don't want you have too much man.
And she tell us that me have man.
I'm your best friend, I know you
And
like.
I'm my best friend. And she tell me have man. And she...
Me don't know.
Remember, you know, you trick up a man and tell the man say that's 20 grand.
Oi,
You don't
oi.
say,
Hey,
a man.
Remember me had get to know them.
How was she? Oh, are you?
Yeah,
Remember you know. From the first time.
What you do your test? That's your question when me ask. I will do then. I work on a business on the inner.
I'm a catty.
Ah!
My new catty.
Tell you!
You give me a bun.
Yeah, I think when man boy 20 grand last year.
Tell you!
You know 20 grand now last. I think you take it, man.
Oh, yeah, right. You see?
Me tell you! Hey, what me tell you say your closest friend is my enemy.
Awa. And the money sweet here.
What about that? You're not going to sweet it after sweet me too.
And the money sweet here. Cause remember they say never want a man you go out school. You got to go student loan when you pay you go save up so I go on here to so now. All of a sudden you want a man.
Hello.
Uno walk come like uno tired of. Where no come from?
She will be bouncing when nobody they do.
Hello, I'm glad you will not just come now we know you.
Still, I next
Yes,
yes.
First thing we have to about, listen to me. Let me get one thing clear and over me again. And by the time I see me around, so they do look with it, you know. I get society, I do my cousin. I adapt him. Watch it now. You ain't do nothing.
Where are you?
She been working.
I was twerking, dirking.
Okay, you was twerking on your father. And your papa.
I
I not. Who are the bigger family ram now? Who are the bigger family ram now? What?
I forgot, I have to find mommy for that one, yeah. I have to find mommy.
What's your problem?
You can't talk. The working, twerking, what me never did that, they make you dumb.
Spit out your words.
He make you dumb.
Cause
she become a daughter.
Listen to me. Remember the girl who brown, nice girl, little big bump where they talk to? And I did do the thing. And they give her the thing if get rid of the thing. She never did do it. I the child that.
So what tell about her?
No about that. Me got links, you know. Me got links. Did you know say a Bobby name? Did you know that?
I told me tell me say name.
Listen to me, girl. If I were you, that thank God say two on the left. Thank God say two on the left. You understand?
Oh no. That's me.
What?